What do you think makes an underrated film? It's a
Nawazuddin
good film.
Siddiqui.
A movie can be underrated but still not be a cult film. But a cult film can still be underrated. Did either of you watch Mrs.?
Yeah.
Dude, everyone's talking about the toxicity. But dude, the film just holds a very good mirror to society.
That is what the problem is, no bro?
Also, one of the rare films where Mr. Bachchan was doing a series of negative roles.
End में उसका अरे जब मैंने बोला है नहीं
Same concept what you described in Apparent, which is shown very seriously, they've shown here in a comedic way. तो यहाँ पे अगर कोई किडनैप हो जाता है तो रिश्तेदार जब आते हैं ना वापस लेने के लिए तो किडनैप वाले बाकायदा उनको रसीद लेके देते हैं.
I was watching one of his interviews and he's like जब मुझे तेरे बिन लादेन ऑफर हुई तो I was like are you in your right mind? I am literally a guy from Pakistan and you want to cast me in a film called Tere Bin Laden.
Some people say that Pop Conversation is an underrated podcast because even though we have A-grade material, we have amazing panelists, we have great content, but we just don't have the numbers. Which is why underrated things should be promoted more. And with that, we're going to welcome you to this episode of Pop Conversation.
Good
This
job.
is
Yes.
Good job. I am very proud.
Some call it the most underrated podcast of all time.
yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes.
The hidden gem
Yeah,
of
the hidden gem
podcast.
of
Yes.
podcasting.
Yes.
The one with the least listeners ever. Maybe not that much. Maybe not that. All right, welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. This is Abbas Moment. Yes, the whose voice you just heard. I'm
Yes.
Antrish Thakkar.
And I'm Sela Neja.
And today, so as we said, we weren't lying to you. We are talking about the most underrated films in
Underrated
Bollywood.
films.
Yes,
Yes.
that's right. How do you want to start?
मैंने films की बात नहीं की. I just said this was underrated podcast. So we're going to be talking about films, not podcasts.
Okay, we're going to talk about underrated films and not underrated podcasts. If
I
underrated
mean, we
podcasts, yeah, Joe Rogan's Experience.
Yeah, very
The most
underrated.
Very
podcast
underrated, yes,
of all
yes.
time. Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
टिस जिसके लिए आप काम कर रहे हो.
India's got latent.
So underrated, it's not available.
Available anymore. Yes.
Yes.
Of course.
We can truthfully say that right now we have more viewership than India's got latent on YouTube.
I'm sure that's not true, you know. No, because the thing is, India's got latent got so big that when someone would take down
Yeah,
a video,
other
someone has to upload it and
clones
that
would come up.
video gets close to 1 million views already. So, this episode, we're
Yeah.
basically centering around our favorite underrated films.
Yes.
Yes.
We've done at least one episode
Yeah.
on overrated.
On
Maybe
overrated
even
films.
we talk about overrated films a lot.
A lot. Yes.
I don't think we talk enough about underrated films.
Underrated films.
Because by nature,
That's why they are
Yes.
underrated.
by nature of them being underrated, you don't talk about them enough. What do you think makes an underrated film? Is it just that it's a
Nawazuddin
good film
Siddiqui.
and every movie Nawaz is in? Are any of my films today? Oh no, not.
मेरी भी फिल्म में नहीं है शायद, but yeah, it's a very good
Bro,
benchmark
yeah,
that
Yeah.
if Nawaz is in it,
Unless it's,
It's
gangs.
probably-
Raman
Unless it's
Raghav
gangs,
2.0,
yeah.
unless it's gangs, yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Photograph.
Yeah.
Gangs भी for the longest time like not
No,
a lot
no.
of नहीं starting से ही हो गया था.
Yeah, bro. It was a movement, bro.
Yeah.
Flop कर रहे हैं. No original thought whatsoever. Anyway.
Yeah.
नहीं, but मेरी definition के हिसाब से underrated film वो होती है जो you see, you like it, and you think that not enough people have seen it. More people should watch this film.
Yeah.
It should be more in conversation. That's what is
पता है
underrated.
अभी अब्बास का मुझे कैसे आपने ओम शांति ओम देखी है?
हाँ.
ओम शांति ओम में वो फेक अवार्ड सेरेमनी नहीं होती
हाँ,
जिसके अंदर
हाँ,
ओम कपूर उसमें वो बेस्ट एक्टर है लाइक फॉर मी अ बेस्ट एक्टर इज एन एक्टर हु
Isn't that Subhash guy who does that?
या सुभाष गए ऋषि कपूर.
That's I would say is about right. An underrated movie for me, especially, would be one. So see, and a movie can be underrated but still not be a cult film. But a cult
well,
film
I
can
was
still
going-
be underrated, right?
No,
Firstly, that.
cult films by default are underrated, right?
Underrated, yeah. But sometimes like Andaz Apna Apna, though it's a
Yeah.
cult film, I wouldn't call it underrated anymore.
Anymore, yes.
Yeah, right. Because now it's overrated even.
Oh.
Though I love the film.
hot take
it's
दे दिया भाई.
it's my favorite film, let me say. But now that it
अब
is
सबको
loved
पता
so
है,
much,
हाँ,
Yeah.
हाँ.
okay, and it's highly touted as one of the great comedy films of Indian
Right,
cinema,
right.
I would say now, at this point, it's overrated.
One such film is also जाने भी दो यारो जो I think is a very underrated film but अब I think now enough people know about it so you cannot call it like underrated
Okay.
but it's still like a cult and
So is it just
बड़े बड़े ज्ञान दे रहे हो, देखता हूँ
Yeah.
क्या क्या चॉइस
अरे मैं तो ऐसा भाई, पहली फिल्म K3G, दूसरी कभी
Also,
because see, by your definition, I think more people should have seen it.
yeah, because not enough have seen it. मैं थिएटर में रिलीज हुई थी, एक्टर से पहले ऑडियंस डायलॉग बोल रहा है.
I mean, we are both expecting Tarzan to be in his list.
Of course.
I'm pretty sure that this is the one of those episodes where I'm 100% sure there will be no overlap in all three of our choices.
हाँ, हो सकता है.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might be right.
Pretty
Because,
confident.
हो
yeah,
सकता है.
I don't know. Abbas is going to say Black Friday or something.
I thought Black Friday is pretty popular.
Yeah.
अब
और बात कर
अब्बास
सकेगा
ना
नहीं.
ऐसा मनोरमा 6 फीट अंडर टाइप
Yeah,
पिक्चर.
Bro!
What?
No, again I considered that.
Oh
it's not
shit,
on my
that would be
list.
insane.
I
dude.
strongly considered
What
That
that.
would be
fuck,
insane,
dude?
man. Wow.
मुझे लगता
I've
है
been meaning to watch that movie. Is it
मुझे
really that
लगता है वो
Great, it's
अंडररेटेड फिल्म्स की मोस्ट ओवररेटेड फिल्म है.
good? Really? Okay, wow. Okay.
But yes, please watch Manorama 6
Yeah,
Feet Under.
it's a good film.
Even if it is on none of our lists. Yeah.
It was almost on Abbas.
Almost on my list. Runner up.
Yes.
Nice.
So I think an underrated film. Firstly, the first criteria has to be that it cannot have earned during its
Money.
box office run. Right.
Yeah,
So it
sure.
has to have been a flop.
It should not have been a blockbuster.
Blockbuster भी नहीं. It
Yeah.
can't have been a hit even.
नहीं यार, ऐसा तो नहीं है.
I think.
Yeah, none of my films are hits, but I can think. I'm
मतलब
sure
मैंने
there are films which are hits, which were hits, like Lutera, for example.
Yeah.
In popular
Yeah.
consciousness, the idea is that it was a flop film. It wasn't. It recovered its cost.
It did.
Yeah.
Yes.
Recovering
And it's
its cost is not a
re-releasing
hit.
actually.
Huh?
Re-release भी हो रही है अभी.
But recovering
Really?
costs,
Okay.
firstly, is not a hit.
It earned a little more than what it was made for. So technically, it was a hit. But I would say Lutera is an underrated film.
It
Would
is
you agree?
very. I would agree. I would agree.
Oh, while we're talking about underrated films.
Yeah.
देखिए, मैंने अभी over the weekend मैंने एक बहुत ही ऐसी फिल्म देखी है. क्या आप एक फिनोमेना है, India's first ever actress to charge 3 crores for a song.
Oh, Urvashi Rotela.
Urvashi Rotela.
For this, the
Bro, I watched
the Balia
Daku
film.
Mirage
Oh my God.
over the weekend. I was like, क्या है, देखे
तो क्या थिएटर में देख के आया?
नहीं भाई, Netflix पे देखी.
आ भी गई.
आ भी गई.
आ गई,
वो
आ
मेरे को
गई.
भी नहीं पता था.
भाई डाकू मिराज
इतनी hit हुई, हाँ.
भाई फिल्म आ गई है. उर्वशी, अब ऑनलाइन पीपल आर सेइंग दैट उर्वशी के सीन्स काट दिए हैं, बट मुझे लग रहा है नहीं काटे, क्योंकि काटे
उतने
तो
ही
फिर
होंगे
सारे ही
ऐसे.
काटते ना. भाई गेस करो कितने सीन है फिल्म में. 3
And
सीन
she charged how much?
3 crores.
3 crore. 1
That's
crore.
1 crore per scene.
Per
Wow,
scene, yeah.
That's amazing, dude.
Dude,
But she has one of the largest social media followings, without a doubt.
I mean,
Without even.
How many of them are genuine?
No, okay, maybe. Yeah.
but वो
You
भी
never know,
सकते हैं
actually.
genuine. Yeah, I think people could be there for the content.
हिंदुस्तानी मर्दों को follow
हाँ,
करने के लिए
हाँ,
ज़्यादा.
वही है ना.
Yeah, that
Target
also.
audience, यही तो
But
है.
dude, I watched the film, and you know, while I was watching, I was like, why do I not feel that this is like that bad जितना मैं expect कर रहा था. I was like, is like
So
ये
you
मुझे
liked it. You're
उतनी
saying you
नहीं
liked
नहीं
it.
नहीं please don't say that I like Dark Mirage.
Can it be more embarrassing than liking Tarzan the Wonder Car?
यार ऐसे तो मैं मतलब क्या बोलूं, बट द थिंग इज कि मूवी में जितनी इलॉजिकल और जितनी खराब इमेजिन कर रहा था
उतनी नहीं है.
उतनी नहीं है. एंड देन मैं सेल्फ डाउट में चला गया कि यार नहीं भाई स्नेहिल, तेरा वायरिंग खराब है. फिर मैं ऑनलाइन गया, मैंने रिव्यूज देखे, एंड देन एवरीबॉडी सेइंग द सेम थिंग कि बाला ने ऐसी फिल्में करी हैं कि
उसके मुकाबले,
कि
हाँ.
उनके मुकाबले ये थोड़ी
पर तुमने
ठीक
तो
लग
कोई
रही
नहीं
है.
देखी बार की फिल्म.
हाँ तो बट ठीक लग रही है ना
मतलब
लोगों को.
इसने अच्छी वाली देख ली पहले.
मैंने ठीक वाली देख ली है पहले.
I still don't trust you, by the way. I don't trust your taste.
Okay then.
I just don't.
Do you trust Jammy's take?
Jamie Pant.
I would say yes.
हाँ तो उसको भी पसंद आई है. Fuck
Oh,
you.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
I'll have to rethink my
Rethink
taste.
your
Yeah,
faith in
faith
Jammy
Jammy,
now,
yeah.
because he's also said the same thing. कि it's still like decent of a film, and I also say it's a decent तो नहीं, below average वाला.
This or Chhawa.
Wow. छावा भाई कैसी बातें कर
फिर
रहे
वो भी
हो.
था.
हाँ मतलब
पर वो भी तो कुछ खास नहीं थी ना पर.
अरे भाई मतलब आप तो स्पेक्ट्रम ही चेंज कर दोगे तो फिर कैसे हो पाएगा ना मतलब लाइफ में.
Did Jamie on the show?
Yeah, I mean, you think you would say no?
I don't know.
What a novel thought you had.
हाँ,
That's
मतलब
nice.
हमने तो सोचा ही नहीं था. I think we should have शाहरुख on the show.
Yeah. Correct. No, Shahrukh नहीं.
शाहरुख ने ना नहीं.
I used to do a podcast before this. On that, Jamie has appeared twice. That's all
So
I'm
then
saying.
who should ask him?
भाई पहले ये खुद तो आए ठीक से
Yeah, correct.
जैमी को कैसे बुलाएगा
जामी को भेजेगा. Jami, I won't be there today.
Can you fill it for me?
so they were basically saying कि if not Abbas then who
Yeah, correct.
so you like the next best thing they could find was you
Guys, I think Jamie listens to this show, so we have to be respectful. Jamie will love you.
Bro,
Oh,
we
he knows.
obviously
Bro.
knows,
We quote him
knows
every
all
other
of it.
episode.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw this on Jamie's video.
Yeah.
About
Yeah.
Jamie talking about this.
Yeah, we're not talking about Rahul Dravid. Moving on. That was a very millennial reference for those above 30.
No, I'm a
watching.
millennial. I didn't get that. I did not get that.
That's because you're not a cricket fan.
Dravid का nickname होता था Jamie
Jamie.
Oh, is it?
Because his father used to work for Kisan Jam. And he also did an ad for Kisan Jam.
Oh, okay.
yeah he used to do ads before Indira Nagar के गुंडे वाला ad.
मेरे को लगा he used to do ads before cricket.
Before he became big, he was a model.
Yeah, he was a model.
भाई वो इतना हॉटी है कि वो बन सकता है
actually,
model.
yeah.
Especially, yeah, correct.
Anyway, Rahul
Yes.
Dravid, underrated as compared to Sachin. And
Sachin
Ganguly.
yeah dude for sure
But who
sure.
wants to go first? इतना हमने ज्ञान दे दिया, पेल दिया. Anything else you want to say about underrated cinema?
I mean, I'm sure my underrated films are going to beat your underrated films.
मतलब
my
let's start
underrated films are the most underrated.
Underrated
of films.
films.
Okay,
Okay, take it.
what is your
Let's
number
start with
three?
my first
So
one.
we're gonna do 3 films each.
3 films each
Are you in 3 to 1, 1 to 3, or doesn't matter?
doesn't matter I guess
Doesn't really matter. Okay then.
आप खुद बता सकते हो बाद में कि मुझे लगता है इन तीनों में सबसे ज्यादा मतलब जमीन में गड़ी हुई है
Okay
ये।
then. Okay
Yeah.
then. Okay.
Okay, ठीक है
Have you guys heard of a little director called Prakash Jha?
नहीं
course,
यार
yes.
इसके बारे में तो नहीं सुना।
Have you heard of little tiny actors called Nana Patekar and Ajay Devgan and Bipasha Basu?
Yes,
Yes.
very much.
But you might not have heard of a movie they all did together called Apaharan.
I've heard of it, but I've
Yeah,
never seen
heard
it.
of it.
Yes, yes.
You've barely heard of it,
Yes.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
The movie is literally about
Say it again. What's it called?
Apaharan. Apharan.
भाई हिंदी
उच्चारण।
हिंदी का
Yes.
प्रोनाउंसिएशन देख
अपहरण।
रहा
It's the movie's name. It's not like
Yeah,
I know it.
but it's such chaste Hindi.
हाँ
from your-
मतलब ऐसे आप अपहरण भी बोल
I know
सकते थे
Kidnap is another film.
not underrated.
नॉट अंडररेटेड भाई लेकिन किडनैप में एक गाना आता है मौसम ये औसम बड़ा है ना
मौसम ये
Good song.
मौसम बड़ा. Yeah. Anyway, so Apahran.
Okay, coming back to our Kidnap.
Kidnap in Hindi.
Kidnap
Yeah,
in
yeah,
Hindi.
yeah.
So, Apharan is literally about this. Okay.
Yeah.
Ajay Devgan. So, for those who underrated films, so we will have to say the plots.
Of
because
course,
Yeah,
of course.
sure,
by
yeah.
nature,
Spoilers होंगे सब में यार
हाँ.
just by the way
So, Ajay Devgan is an aspiring police officer. Okay?
Okay.
He, to be able to apply for the exams or whatever.
वो सिंगम बनने ही वाला था इसके
Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, correct. He's to give those exams, he needs a certain amount of money to be able to fill because bribery चलती है हर जगह,
Yeah.
right? And this is based in UP.
okay
So like
That's Prakash
ga-
Jha's speciality, kind of. That,
correct. Yeah. But this is like in the middle of gang violence, all of that. This kind of UP,
Yeah, for sure.
that UP that Prakash loves to show, right? So Ajay Devgan, what the fuck?
का फोन गिर जाता है
Ajay Devgan का phone गिरा है. Okay. So Ajay Devgan is a police aspirant. Okay. He takes out a loan from a money launderer.
Okay.
Okay. One of those money lenders, one of the guys, and to be able to apply for the exam. But after that, he's not able to pay the guy back. So he's like, now what do I do to get this money back? I can't become a police officer if I don't pay this fucker back. So he decides for once to be a part of a kidnap and ransom scheme. That is flagrantly happening in UP all the time anyway. This is like a very common tactic that dacoits use, where they will kidnap a wealthy, say, doctor or something, ask his family for ransom, and then release the guy with the intention that firstly this will create fear about the dacoits कि oh अगर पैसे दे तो छोड़ देंगे,
हाँ.
right? So that's why they want to maintain that illusion also कि हम छोड़ देते हैं. Because who knows, एक साल बाद अगर वापस उस डॉक्टर को उठाना पड़े, then you have that doctor again. You know? This is what
the option don't burn your bridges basically.
Exactly,
Yeah.
you get it.
Yeah, fair.
So that's what the movie is about. Okay, then he gets involved in this world more and more. Lets go of any kind of aspirations he had to become a police officer. Becomes a full-on dacoit, full-on like gang member kind of, who joins the gang of a local gunda figure,
which is Nana Patekar
which is Nana Patekar, played by Nana Patekar. Great acting.
काफी
Played by Nana Patekar, not Mrs. Nana Patekar. Suits his persona.
सोचो एपिसोड रिलीज होते ही फोन आ रहा है अंतरिक्ष को
पहले बोला था मैंने.
बोला रे
सोच अंतरिक्ष को लाइक जैसे वो हम आपके यहाँ में उहु कर देने लाइक अच्छा है नहीं अच्छा है
एक मच्छर आदमी को अपहरण करने का मजबूर कर देता है. किडनैपर, अपहरण.
But nice, it came out in 2005, so it's almost 20 years old at this point.
Yeah, dude, very highly rated also on IMDb and Zomato.
जोमेटो
Rotten Tomatoes.
क्लियरली हमने डिनर नहीं किया है.
New feature that
People are eating the movie.
अपहरण में थोड़ा नमक कम था बस बाकी तो अच्छा था.
Ajay Devgan, delicious.
डिलीशियस जुबान कैसी हो गई उसको खा के.
So,
Wow.
7.4 on
Set in
IMDb.
UP also.
72% Rotten Tomatoes.
72.
74%
74. Okay.
on Rotten Tomatoes. So, very highly
कितना
rated.
अच्छा होता है ऐसे. ये तो डिस्टिंक्शन भी नहीं है 74
60%
वैसे.
is
अच्छा good.
fresh.
Nice.
Anything under 60 is rotten. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this is
Oh,
not as
fresh
rotten.
is
This,
rotten.
this tomato.
Pretty good. 74 is
This is
pretty
tomato.
good.
Not
This is
rotten.
tomato. Nice.
Okay. And Bipasha Basu plays the love interest, but she has a very
Of?
good role of Ajit. No,
अच्छा भाई नाना पाटेकर.
Just because
तेरे
Nana
को
Patekar-
अजय देवगन को लाके नाना पाटेकर के साथ रोमांस कराएंगे वालों को.
तो भाई जब मल्लिका शेरावत नाना पाटेकर को रोमांस कर सकती है.
बट वो तो करी उसी के लिए थी ना यार. That's so funny. Bipasha Basu. देख ले.
But doesn't Ganga Jal also have a similar cast as Ajay Devgan and Bipasha Basu? I think also in that. But
Yeah,
I'm
that
not
could be.
sure.
They- I'm sure there
Also
was-
Prakash Jha.
Yeah,
Right,
they were
yeah,
a popular pairing. Maybe that Prakash Jha, the director, was like, "Oh, this seems to be working for me. I'll do this."
प्रकाश झा का वेब शो चल रहा है आजकल. आश्रम देखा आपने?
Oh, okay. उसका second, third season.
आश्रम के 3 सीजन आए थे एंड नाउ अब 3 सीजन थर्ड सीजन का पार्ट 2 आ रहा है.
Acha. That Prakash
This is
Jha
the
made
Bobby
that
one,
movie,
no?
bro.
हाँ बॉबी देओल. यस द रेसरेक्शन ऑफ
Actually,
लॉर्ड
yeah,
बॉबी.
Yeah.
So, dude, this movie Apaharan is so. Dude, I've never heard any of us ever talk about it. I think maybe once I mentioned it in some episode ever.
हो सकता है.
It is a fantastic film that will have you gripped till the end. It has a very amazing end also. I don't want to spoil it because again I want people to watch this movie.
Yeah.
I don't know what else much to say about it.
Cool,
It's
cool.
a great film.
Nice,
dude.
yeah,
It's
you
a
saw
very,
it.
very, very good
कहाँ
film.
पे देख सकते हैं?
So it's available on Prime Video and YouTube. You can
Nice.
watch it on either of those places. Please check out Aparan. It's a very gripping watch. I think it's just like 2.5 hour movie and gets done. Very interesting, very unique story,
pretty
original
long.
story.
The way you said it.
भाई आप देख रहे हो यूएसपी क्या है मूवी का? ओरिजिनल स्टोरी.
Original story.
Original
भाई,
story,
original.
भाई.
Where
तुम
else-
लोग के कॉपी वाले नहीं हैं. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Since India is the only state that has Uttar Pradesh, obviously it will be original. So yeah.
You think every story that comes out of Uttar Pradesh is original?
I mean, Uttar Pradesh is
A very original state.
very original state. Yes, that's all I'll say.
भाई इतना क्रेजी स्टैट पढ़ा उस दिन मैंने भाई. पूरे दुनिया का 3% पॉपुलेशन सिर्फ उत्तर प्रदेश में रहता है.
Yeah. If Uttar Pradesh was a country, it would have been the 7th largest country in the world.
भाई आप भाई व्हाट द फक ब्रो. भाई सोचो दुनिया का जितना लोग है उसका 3% लोग उत्तर प्रदेश में रह रहा है भाई.
Yeah, man.
सोच कितने पान खाने वाली पॉपुलेशन कितनी है.
Yeah.
क्या ही
That is
भाई
crazy.
कितना
I can't even
गंदा.
fathom that.
मैं भी उत्तर प्रदेश का हूँ भाई.
Bro,
अच्छा
मेरी
तो आपको अलाउड है joke मारना?
Yes.
my mother's family is from Agra, dude.
Yeah, my mother's family is from Lucknow.
Apologize.
अरे my mother's family is from Lucknow.
But my
We
mother's
are
family took
neighbors.
offense to what you said.
Obviously.
Now apologize.
I
Now
thought you
delete
were-
all the episodes.
I thought you were Punjabi.
I'm Punjabi. So it can't be from UP or.
Your dad's side of the family is from
Oh,
Punjab.
both the sides of my family are Punjabi, but
They
one
used to
side
just
settled
live in Agra.
अच्छा,
यार.
okay.
अरे भाई.
You know, you
Just
can live in
what the
anywhere in
fuck,
India.
dude?
You know, Punjabis can live in
हद हो
Tamil
गई
Nadu
यार,
also.
कैसी बात
if they
है
want.
ये?
Snehal, that was mine.
Yes.
Apaharan, 2005. What's yours?
मस्त आपने लेकिन सेल तो कर दिया अपहरण. देख सकते हैं आप अपहरण. मैं वैसे Amazon प्राइम पे मतलब I'll come to my underrated film. प्राइम पे मैंने वो देखी बेबी जॉन.
Oh, okay.
Time pass.
Kirti really liked
Better
it.
than
What?
Yeah, dude. She's quite nice. Yeah, I didn't mind it. But then
Better
Kirti
than
is also.
Daku Maharaj.
हाँ.
Okay.
Yeah.
मतलब anything, मतलब as not anything but ठीक है.
खुद ही बोल रहा है it wasn't as
हाँ, it
bad.
was, यार पता है भाई मेरी expectations मनोरमा 6 feet under थी.
That's a very good film,
हाँ,
but
I
you
know, I
mean
know.
to say your expectations
were
6
feet,
under,
yeah.
yes.
But ठीक है, anyway, मुझे मतलब अगर शायद मैं थिएटर में दिखता तो शायद वो BGM और वो सब स्लो मोशंस एंड ऑल would have had an effect on me, but प्राइम पे देखने में मुझे शायद उतना
Did either of you watch Mrs?
या
I haven't.
Yeah, dude, everyone's talking about the toxicity.
भाई वो
that is in the
भारत
film.
देश में ऐसी मतलब
But dude, that actually the film just holds a very good mirror to society, man.
That's
bro, it's a
what- that's
very
what
good,
the-
that
they
is
have
what
a
the
problem
problem
with.
is,
That's
no
what
bro,
the problem is.
that is
right?
what the problem
Yeah,
is,
correct.
obviously.
So people are touting
कैसे
it.
बना दिया ठीक सिनेमा आपने.
That's what the problem people are having with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, men's rights activists.
So people are basically
But they
like
are highlighting the problems.
so
What's
तो
the problem with
प्रॉब्लम
that?
जो आ रहा है वो यही जो ऑनलाइन जो आपको डिबेट दिख रही है वो ये है कि मर्द लोग बाहर जाके काम करके आके
उसका कुछ
तो
नहीं दिखाते हो, हाँ।
उसका कुछ नहीं तो उसको तुम खाना नहीं खिला
हमारी
सकती
तकलीफ के बारे में
पूरा
क्या
दिन तो
है?
तुम घर में बैठी हो ऐसा टाइप्स.
ये इसने actually अपने
Okay, then
opinion
तो good
voice-
point. Then I don't agree. मैंने सोचा नहीं ऐसा. This angle I hadn't given thought to.
अरे ब्रो इट इज
Wow.
क्रेजी. अब ये सब तो छोड़ो भाई, आप द ग्रेट इंडियन किचन देखो व्हिच इज द ओरिजिनल फिल्म जिसके ऊपर मिसेस बनाई है. सो मिसेस इज अ गुड अटेम्प्ट. आई वुड नॉट से दैट इट्स अ बैड
Sanya is
अटेम्प्ट
just a fantastic.
bro.
Yeah,
it's
of
a
course,
very
of
good attempt. But dude, watch the Great Indian Kitchen. So the Great Indian Kitchen में क्या है ना, जैसे इसमें जो ट्रिगर पॉइंट्स दिखाए हैं ना, उसमें ग्रेट इंडियन किचन में एक्चुअली कल्चरली रूटेड ट्रिगर पॉइंट्स दिखाए हैं which actually make sense. The Great Indian Kitchen में they've not named the characters of husband and wife to
to make it-
basically
it can
depict
be
that
anyone.
it is the story of every, it can be a story of every and any household in India.
Yeah.
सो एक वो भी है दैट देव नॉट गिवन दैट एन आइडेंटिटी. अब जैसे कबीर सिंह में आपने कबीर सिंह को आइडेंटिटी दे दिया तो यू कैन बेसिकली से कि अरे भाई ये कबीर की कहानी है ना तो तुम क्यों इतना वो कर रहे हो. दे एक्चुअली केप्ट इट कि भाई दिस इज हस्बैंड, दिस इज वाइफ, दिस कैन बी एनी हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ. The Great Indian Kitchen is a fabulous film. Definitely watch it. And while you're watching it and while you start hating men, you should also watch
Benny John.
No. Jaya 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 Hey.
Oh, Jai Jai Jai.
Oh, what a fucking film.
fun movie. Yeah.
Jai Bachchan.
No. But again,
Four roles. Four.
I'm sure she applies some of those tactics on her husband. But,
Okay.
but
I
dude,
don't want to go there.
Jaya Jaya
But
Jaya Hey is a
Hey
very
is a
good film.
film.
Definitely watch it. मैंने ये दोनों back to back
बड़ा
देखे.
मलयालम सिनेमा देख रहा है आज?
अरे यार, I was like कि कब तक भाई मैं थोड़ा ऐसा expand करूँ ना लाइफ
Nice,
में खुद
nice.
को, ठीक है.
तो कौन आई है मलयाली चिक तेरी लाइफ में?
जय 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 हे के बारे में बात कर रहे हो और चिक बोल रहे हो, ठीक है.
Okay, sorry.
कैसा
मलयाली
मतलब
मलयाली lady in your
Who's the hottie that you're getting naughty with? Huh?
But dude, genuinely, I watched these two films back to back. आपके वो हैजिट एज वेल में सेगमेंट होता था ना, would you pair
Double
it,
feature,
double
yeah,
feature.
yeah.
तो मैंने ये देखी and उसके जस्ट बाद मैंने जय 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 देखी. Dude, भाई
It's a heavy day, bro.
bro, heavy day as fuck, dude. But both of
फिर
the
वो
films,
देने के बाद तू ऐसे कोने में जाके मैं मर्द क्यों हूँ?
I swear, I was like भाई अगर ये
मर्द जात
5%
जाति
घरों में
ऐसे
भी
है.
हो रहा है देश के
Yeah.
या दुनिया के, भाई
Let me just say, मेरे घर पे नहीं होता था.
सोसाइटी में ऑब्वियसली दो, बट यू नो लाइक दे एक्चुअली शो द मिरर कि
Yeah,
क्या
yeah,
हो रहा है. बट वेरी गुड फिल्म्स.
Let's get to your.
Just before we move on, since we are on this,
Yeah.
thing, can I add one more film?
Yes, please.
There's a film called Atom.
Okay.
Also another Malayalam film.
Yeah.
Atom?
Which, not Atom, ATTAM, which is about a theatre group, a Malayali theatre group, which has only one female cast member.
Okay.
And watch the film. Like that's the setup
Nice.
of the film.
कहाँ
and
पे है?
It's on Prime.
Nice.
So
What kind of genre?
it's a drama, but it's very well done. And it's somewhat along the same lines of what happens when one woman is surrounded by a troop of men and they are friends, they are a troop, and yet something's happening.
Like the ignorance basically.
Not exactly watch the film. Like
ठीक है, ठीक है.
whatever I say will slightly be spoilerish. So वो भी देख लो.
तो इसी लाइन को कंटिन्यू करते हुए there is this one film which is which stars Tabu and Sachin Khedekar. It's called Astitva.
Yes, I've heard about it.
Have you watched the film?
I've watched
No,
it.
man.
So this is a film called Astitva, released in 2000, 6th February 2000. Actually मुझे ये टॉपिक मैं the other day I was scrolling and I saw 25 years of Astitwa, and I was like, fuck dude, we should talk about this. Anyway, so Astitwa is a great fucking film, and it stars Tabu, Sachin Khedekar and Monish Bahl. Sachin Khedekar, पता है आप दोनों को कौन है?
Marathi actor.
Yeah.
Mostly it has done
Mostly
Marathi.
Not Pilgaonkar.
No, 13 भी देखिए?
13 भी the
The R Madhavan.
Madhavan one, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, they देखी है, I think, yeah.
उसमें जो डॉक्टर होता है.
Oh, I don't remember right now. Sachin Khedekar.
देख लो. हाँ.
Okay, but go ahead. So what's the movie about?
ठीक है. So
अरे जो तेरे नाम में राधे का वो होता है अंकल.
Oh,
that guy.
Dude, he was in.
Wow, बेचारे ने अस्तित्व कर ली पिक्चर. And the reference that we know is तेरे नाम में जो सलमान भाई का अंकल बनता है ना.
Bro, मुझे ये याद है क्योंकि
Dude, he was also Savitri Devi's
many movies.
Savitri Devi's husband in Badsha.
Yeah.
Oh yes, that.
Okay,
Yes. Yes,
लंबी
you're right.
छुट्टी पे भेज दो.
Wow, dude.
Okay, he's
Has
also.
he played toxic men in all?
Dude, yeah,
What the
there is
fuck?
there is a movie where he plays the brother of Sunny Deol. It's a 90s film. Okay, and I remember, I think of this visual in my head. Sachin Khedekar he gets basically Sunny Deol's brother gets beat up by goons and killed by goons. Okay, and that the rest of the movie is about Sunny Deol trying to get revenge on his brother's death. So the brother is played by Sachin Khedekar, who gets killed by this thing, by the goons, and they break his hand and shit, dude. And the way they break his hand is, you know how in old films, how do I show this?
वो
I wanna show-
दरवाजे में हाथ मार
नहीं,
दे.
नहीं, नहीं,
दरवाजे में हाथ रख के
नहीं, नहीं,
दरवाजा
नहीं.
बंद कर देना.
नहीं, I'll show you.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
just you gotta give me some distance.
Okay.
Because I need a
कहाँ
corner.
दिखेगा? ये master
I need a
में
corner.
दिखेगा.
And master
Okay.
is there. Okay.
हाँ.
So I need a corner. Okay, so they put the hand here, right, at a corner, you know, beyond a corner, and then they just push the hand ऐसे करके. That's how they always do it. In old, you know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah.
This move.
ये तेरे नाम मुझे क्यों याद है पता है? Because when I did the तेरे नाम episode of Has It Aged Well, available now. उसमें ना
तू लाइफ में कुछ और कर ले.
कर रहा है. तो उसमें
कोई और चीज है जिसको
असीम चंदावर बाबा जोगेश्वरी जो इंस्टा पे वो आया था, and he also watches a lot of Marathi films. So he said this one thing, that this was the पाऊ phase of Sachin Khedekar. We were like, what is the पाऊ phase? Like इस टाइम पे वो जो भी मराठी फिल्म्स कर रहा था ना, वो जब भी स्क्रीन पे आता था ना, वो बैकग्राउंड में पाऊ
He's the villain everywhere. So I was saying.
विलेन और डार्क
Oh,
कैरेक्टर.
funny. That's funny.
So इसमें भी he's playing like a dark character.
Surprise.
Motherfucker. This film was actually shot in both Hindi and Marathi.
Right.
Okay.
And this film also won the best Marathi film of the year in the national awards.
Yeah.
This
Oh, what are
film
you saying,
won the national award for the best Marathi film of the year.
What's it about?
So this is basically this caters to a very sensitive topic जो आज तक मुझे लगता है हम लोग ढंग से एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाए, which is ढंग से
So he said it right. He didn't say it like it.
ढंग से एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाए, which is infidelity.
Oh.
हाँ,
बात
correct.
कर यार, कभी
हम
कभी
explore ही नहीं कर पाए.
कभी अलविदा ना कहना बन चुकी है.
ऐतराज बन चुकी है.
But भाई मतलब the layers of it,
subtlety,
the layers of it, and how like the thing is कि मतलब वो ना थोड़े जैसे like I hate the term, but it's still like a little Bollywoodized version of the concept, right? इसके अंदर it's so like so मैं आपको प्लॉट बताता हूँ फिल्म का. तबू जो है, तबू gets married to Sachin, ठीक है, एंड सचिन इज शोन टू बी लाइक अ वेरी लाइक पेट्रियार्कल हस्बैंड. इज लाइक हाँ मतलब तुम जॉब नहीं करोगी, लाइक हमारे घर की औरतों ने कभी जॉब नहीं की किसी भी जनरेशन में. तो शी इज लाइक कि भाई मैं पूरा दिन, एंड ही कीप्स ट्रैवलिंग फॉर हिज वर्क, एंड ही इज शोन टू बी लाइक अ वर्कहॉलिक एंड बी लाइक कि लोग मेरी तारीफ करें तो अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है, टाइप्स एम्बिशियस. और ये उसकी वजह से वो बहुत सारा बिजनेस ट्रिप्स करता रहता है, बाहर रहता है, घर में नहीं रहता. तो तब इज लाइक भाई मैं घर में बोर होती रहती हूँ, आई एम अलोन, मेरे को कुछ तो जॉब करने दे, कुछ तो लाइक देव शोन की लाइक यू नो देयर इज नो कनेक्ट नहीं है, रोमांस नहीं है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, ठीक है. तो ही बेसिकली अग्रीज कि चल ठीक है तू म्यूजिक तेरे का शौक है तो तू म्यूजिक परस्यू कर ले, बट ओनली एज अ शौक, लाइक देयर इज नो करियर वरियर नहीं है इसके अंदर, ठीक है. तो वो शी लाइक ठीक है. तो मोनीश बैल इसका टीचर बन के आता है. मोनीश बैल इज द म्यूजिक टीचर, ठीक है. एंड जैसे धीरे 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 इसकी और मोनीश बैल की प्रॉक्सिमिटी बढ़ती जाती है, एंड देव शोन लाइक डिफरेंट फैक्ट.
ब्रो दिस इज हम साथ हैं. मोनीश बैल एंड तबू आर अ पेयर, हम साथ हैं. नो
हाँ good.
Okay, this was a prequel.
Yeah.
Prequel
Yeah,
to
yeah,
ठीक है. तो अब इस दिखाया कि they like once they get physical.
Okay.
ठीक है एंड लाइक फिर उसके बाद वो ट्रिप पे ही है अपना ठीक है लाइफ
Oh,
में
good
ठीक
life.
है तो वो अब आता है वो वापस आता है तो ही इज लाइक कि मुझे प्रमोशन मिल गया मुझे ये मिल गया आई एम सो हैप्पी ये वो एंड तब इज लाइक आई एम प्रेग्नेंट
Oh fuck.
ठीक है एंड देन ही इज लाइक ओ अब मैं बाप भी बनने वाला
No romance. No, none of like we've had sex once.
ठीक है तो इज लाइक मैं बाप भी बनने वाला सो तब्बू इज फुल्ली गिल्ट ही लाइक वो उसे बताना चाह रही है बट उसको लाइक अरे भाई मेरा प्रमोशन नहीं हो गया मैं बाप भी बन रहा हूँ ठीक है लाइफ में तो मेरा तो चिल चल रहा है ठीक है तो ये सब हो रहा है एंड देन बच्चा बड़ा हो रहा है वगैरह वगैरह
Oh, वो
वगैरह
सब बच्चा हो गया.
हाँ बच्चा हो गया है
हो
अब
गया.
ये स्टोरी जो मैंने आपको बताई ये सारी फ्लैशबैक है
Okay.
तो इनका बेटा जो है वो बड़ा हो चुका है
अच्छा.
एंड बड़ा होके दे आर एट अ फंक्शन तो इसको ना एक लेटर आता है तो वो लेटर
The
इसके
kid grows up becomes Monish Bahl. And he's like Sachin kid
नहीं,
is like
तो
मैं कहाँ से
that's
आया?
what ना
The fuck? It's not Terminator.
तो इसको एक लेटर आता है एंड उस लेटर में लाइक सो अब द लेटर इज नेम्ड लाइक टू द तबूज टू तबूज कैरेक्टर एंड वो लेटर आता है तो सचिन बेसिकली ऐसा फाड़ के दिखता है कि अरे इसका तो मतलब मैं तो पढ़ ही सकता हूँ ना बेसिकली तो यहाँ दिस इज द फर्स्ट सीन
Okay.
ठीक है तो दैट इज वेयर दे स्टार्ट हिंटिंग टुवर्ड्स द
तूने तो पूरी पिक्चर ही स्पॉइल कर दी यार.
भाई ये तो पहले ही मैं वही तो आपको बता रहा हूँ पहला
अच्छा,
ही
okay.
लाइक ये मैं स्पॉइलर नहीं दिया हूँ
अच्छा.
आपको
But तूने पूरा flashback दे दिया.
पूरा फ्लैशबैक.
हाँ मैं आपको स्पॉइलर दिया ही नहीं हुई
अच्छा,
आपका
okay,
पहले 10-15
sorry,
मिनट
हाँ,
का
okay.
में सब पता चल जाएगा
Got
आपको। तो वो लेटर पढ़ता है लेटर में एक्चुअली मोनीश बहल की विल होती है
Okay.
तो वो देखता है विल में उसने अपना सारी जायदाद तब्बू के नाम पे कर दी है ठीक है एंड दैट इज व्हेन ही इज लाइक कि इसका टीचर इसके तरफ कैसे ऐसा हो गया कि इसने सारी जायदाद इसके नाम कर दी
हाँ.
सो ही
और
बेसिकली
कितनी ज्यादा बोला था क्या?
मतलब कुछ भी जितनी भी जायदाद है
Like
चाहे
हारमोनियम और
ठीक है
अच्छी सी
तो देन ही व्हाट ही डज इज बेसिकली वो ऑफिस जाता है एंड देन ही स्टार्ट्स ये फ्लैशबैक पुटिंग 2+2 टुगेदर कि मैं तब कहाँ था ये कहाँ था वो कहाँ था एटसेट्रा
Okay,
एटसेट्रा
I have a question. Tell me if this is a spoiler, then don't tell me.
Yeah.
Does Monish Bell know that he has a son with Tabu?
He must.
Okay.
But they never continue the romance. Let me guess.
they never continue the romance
Yeah.
वो बेसिकली उसको निकाल देती है कि भाई मेरे को नहीं करना तुम्हारे साथ कुछ
तेरा
भी
काम
वगैरह
हो
वगैरह हो गया
I just
like
needed your
that.
sperms for the baby.
तो
Your notes and your
बेसिकली
musical notes.
एंड देन टुवर्ड्स द एंड सो बेसिकली जब उसको 2+2 कर लेता है फ्लैशबैक में स्टोरी पता चल जाती है वो अपने सारे दोस्तों को बुला लेता है देखो इसने मेरे पे चीट किया है ये किया है नाउ जस्ट टू मेक थिंग्स राइट यू हैव टू अपोलोजाइज इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीबडी उस अपने बेटे को बुला लेता है बेटे की फियांसे होती है वो आ जाती है तो सबको पूरा इकट्ठा करके तो वो बेसिकली शेम करना चाहता है उसको पूरे तरीके से एंड दैट फिर एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड जो भी लाइक क्लाइमैक्स है दैट इज द मेजर ब्रेकआउट मोमेंट वेयर तब्बू हु हैज बीन
Don't spoil the.
I'm
She
not
gives a monologue.
yeah so basically वहाँ
Surprise.
मतलब मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि मैं अभी ये आपका प्रीटेक्स्ट है सारा कि ये फिल्म में ये हुआ है
Monologue देखने के लिए आप पिक्चर देखें.
मोनोलॉग नहीं भाई
अच्छा,
द
okay,
थिंग इज
sorry.
कि द इमोशन दैट शी शोज इन द लास्ट 20-25 मिनट्स 30 मिनट्स कैसे वो सारी चीजें बताती है कि तुम लाइक यू नो द मैं अगेन मैं आगे का वो सारा बताऊंगा तो पता चल जाएगा कि उसके अंदर और वो
समझ
क्या क्या
गया,
चीजें
हाँ,
बोलती है
हाँ.
बट इट्स अ फिल्म दैट इज अ मस्ट वॉच
This seems like a kind of like मतलब वो डिस्क्रिप्शन से वो फील नहीं आएगा जो मूवी में है.
हाँ,
You have to watch.
मतलब यू हैव टू वॉच इट मतलब मैं जितना बोलूंगा बोलने को मैं एक लाइन में भी बता सकता था कि
Because what you
ये-
described could very well be a plot of a porn movie, isn't it? Like
And a good one at that.
husband is gone away, wife is alone, music teacher comes.
When
they
the
have
husbands
sex.
are away, the wife
अब बस
chats away.
कितने टाइम से सिंगल हो अब कितना
I'm just saying, bro.
Nice, Abbas.
The first 15 minutes you were describing the plot. I'm like, this can be a porno movie. But it's not. Astitwa is a great movie, which you should
Wouldn't
watch.
it be funny if Bollywood starts taking plot points from porn now?
I'm sure they have.
सारी Hollywood movies तो हो गई हैं. अब बाकी क्या?
नहीं अभी मलयालम पे है ना वो
Ah, correct. After this will be the porn
After
era.
this,
the porn era of
yeah.
Bollywood will be right after this. Yes, pizza delivery boys getting employment finally as movie actors.
I'm sure there's Swiggy, Zomato delivery porn.
Oh, 100%, without a doubt, dude.
Yeah.
It has to be.
Have you seen them?
क्या चल रहा है भाई? क्या अंडररेटेड फिल्म्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
Underrated porn, bro.
आप उधर
Underrated
वो
adult films.
कौन सा टोमेटो रॉटन
Adult films
टोमेटो
are still
करते हैं,
films.
जोमेटो कर रहे हो?
Yes.
वो अस्तित्व की बात कर
starring-
रहा हूँ तो वो कह रहा है पॉर्न में स्विगी जोमेटो क्यों नहीं है?
Yes, correct. Starring Kapil Sharma's doppelganger. Zagato.
कितनी भूख लगी है दोनों को?
Zagato is a good movie, by the way. Also an underrated movie. Please watch it. It's
I've not seen it.
Yeah, it's a nice film.
it's a good movie. Yeah, but
बट अस्तित्व Amazon Prime और YouTube पे है, definitely watch it. It's a very very good watch.
so this came out 2000. The year
Yeah,
2000.
25 years later,
25 years
we're still making
Mrs. and back.
It is just sad at this point, dude.
I mean, but Mrs. is a good film.
No, we're saying the
The
भाई
problem
film-
is society hasn't changed.
Yeah,
Society
the
hasn't changed, yeah,
भाई तो अस्तित्व भी खराब फिल्म नहीं है उसकी फिल्म की नहीं गान मार रहे हम लोग, सोसाइटी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
Fair.
Okay, so my number 3 underrated movie is it's a comedy film. अब मेरे को इसका प्लॉट तुम लोग कैसा इतना डिटेल में नहीं याद है क्योंकि मैंने बहुत पहले देखी थी, बट आई थिंक नो
फंटूश.
नहीं यार बोलने दो ना.
अच्छा बोलो.
It's a film called फंस गए रे ओबामा.
Oh yes,
Okay.
yes.
I know.
which
Yes.
came out in 2010.
Yes.
And basically, this is set in a village in India where it's set around the time Barack Obama became the American president. तो इस गांव में एक फॉरेन रिटर्न बंदा वापस आता है अपने गांव, उसको अपनी जमीन बेचनी होती है जो एंसेस्ट्रल प्रॉपर्टी है, लेकिन वो किडनैप हो जाता है. स्पीकिंग ऑफ अपहरण, सो
Wow, nice.
सिमिलर कॉन्सेप्ट.
Is there infidelity also in the film? Oh shit.
The perfect mixture of the two.
But same concept what you described in Aparan, which is shown very seriously, they've shown here in a comedic way.
nice.
So basically,
The kidnapping and
the kidnapping industry basically. तो यहाँ पे अगर कोई किडनैप हो जाता है तो रिश्तेदार जब आते हैं ना वापस लेने के लिए, तो किडनैप वाले बाकायदा उनको रसीद लेके देते हैं कि देखो फिर किडनैप हो जाना तो रसीद दिखाना, देखो ये प्रूफ है कि ये किडनैप हो
पहले
चुके
kidnap हो
हैं.
चुका है. Nice,
तो मतलब इनका हो चुका है. Then there are a lot of inside jokes of how this was also the time where a lot of call centers were coming up in India. People wanted to go to America because America was seen as this land of opportunity and everything. So one of the characters is this actor called Manu Rishi, who you would have seen in many movies. इसका एक सीन अगर आप मूवी, मैं तो रिकमेंड करूँगा पूरी मूवी देखो. अगर पूरी मूवी देखने का टाइम नहीं है आपके पास, एक यूट्यूब पे जाओ, टाइप इन फंस गए रे ओबामा इंग्लिश क्लास सीन. It is the funniest comedy scene I have seen. It's about this one guy who's teaching English to the people who are in the class. Okay, they're all adults because they want to.
Is it like I want to go to lavatory? I want to go to lavatory.
It's way funnier
I
than
had
that.
the same
thank God.
thought.
It's way funnier than that.
Dude.
So
I just didn't want to cut him.
the guy who plays the English teacher, he is hilarious. I can't even, मतलब मैं वो बोल के भी नहीं बता सकता क्या, क्योंकि वो जस्टिस नहीं होगा जो सीन है. Go watch that scene, फंस गए रे ओबामा. It's a very funny film from 2010. It is, let me tell you where it is streaming.
Dude, I feel like this movie and another movie called Tere Bin Laden.
Bro,
Yeah,
Tere Bin Laden,
Tere Bin
yes,
Laden is
yes.
also a very funny movie. So this
Yeah,
film is also
came around the same time, right?
फंस गए रे ओबामा is also on both Prime and YouTube. So check it out. And yeah, it's one of those small budget comedy films that we used to make back then, which we don't see anymore.
Yeah.
So yeah, फंस गए रे ओबामा.
Tere
But
Bin
Tere Bin Laden is also very funny. movie,
उसमें वो है ना, क्या नाम है उसका लड़के का, देख
अली जफर.
हाँ अली जफर.
yeah.
I was watching one of his interviews and he's like, जब मुझे तेरे बिन लादेन ऑफर हुई तो I was like, are you in your right mind? कि तुम मुझे कैसे, मतलब like I am literally a guy from Pakistan and you want to cast me in a film called तेरे बिन लादेन. तो he was like कि फिर उन्होंने बोला कि आप सर स्टोरी तो सुन लो एक बारी. then so anyway that is how it happened.
That's also good double feature. फंस गए रे ओबामा and Tere Bin
And
Laden.
Yeah,
Bin Laden,
because
of
that's
course. Obama and
whenever
Laden,
I think
yeah.
of one movie, I think of the other because names are Osama Obama. You know what I mean?
Okay then.
ठीक है. So now you are
Barack
cancelled
Osama-
in US.
Barack Osama and Obama Bin Laden are the two.
Now you are dead in the US.
What is an ex-president?
No, he can't go to the US. Trump
Dude,
will throw
also
him
he's an
out.
ex-president. If I shit on Obama, there are more likelihood of the Republican Party being happy with me, which is probably not possible.
Full politics चला गया.
like
Samar.
I like this. You had a political drama, you had an infidelity drama, I had a comedy. Nice.
Yeah, nice.
Nice range.
Oh, nice.
Let's mix it up. Like, next
Yeah.
What's your second?
Next,
underrated?
should I only go next?
Yeah.
No, मतलब
Okay.
वो set हो गया ना pattern.
Next one
हाँ.
is also to do with kidnapping.
क्या हो गया भाई? आपकी कौन सी डार्क फैंटेसीज हैं भाई? क्या चल रहा है?
So this is again a dark movie.
Therapy wherapy.
So this is not in a dark comedy. This is a dark movie.
Can I guess? Is it
Madari.
No, fuck bro, that Fardeen Khan movie.
Oh,
Love
no.
के लिए कुछ भी करेगा.
No, no,
Okay, sorry.
I'm talking about a movie called Ugly.
Oh, I've seen this film,
Anurag
dude.
Kashyap movie.
I've seen this. Yes, I've seen this.
What
Yeah.
film?
Is it
It is
underrated?
edge of seat. Oh, I think it's very underrated, dude.
Okay.
Hardly anyone's seen it. At least around me. तुमने देखे?
Yes,
We both have
sir.
seen it around.
Wow.
Nobody else in this house has seen it. I highly doubt even Kirti has seen it. So the two main actors that Ugly the movie revolves around are played by Ronit Roy and Rahul Bhatt. Okay, the two actors, the two main leads, you would say parallel leads of the film. Ronit Roy plays a police officer, and Rahul Bhatt plays
A
like a struggling
problematic
actor.
husband.
Yeah.
No, like a struggling actor.
क्या हो गया भाई तेरी जिंदगी
Like क्या हो गया भाई?
But he plays a problematic
He
husband.
plays a problematic ex-husband.
हाँ, मतलब.
Okay,
I'm
the
100%
problems are done.
like sorry to break the flow, but I'm 100% sure you're dating some feminist woman who has made you realize
I'm very
what
single in life.
what a
But,
curse it is to be a man.
but
I
Anyway.
think he just
ugly.
newly watched Mrs. No, that's
The Great Indian
Abhay,
Kitchen
so-
and
so-
Jai
Kuch
Jai Jai.
अस्तित्व
So
also like,
fresh.
yeah,
अस्तित्व.
men suck, bro.
Okay.
Ugly.
So Ugly, the plot revolves around a little girl gets kidnapped,
Yeah.
seemingly out of the blue, with no
Context,
readily available
yeah.
leads
Right,
as to who
yeah,
did
yeah,
it, why
yeah,
they did it,
yeah.
etc., etc. Okay, her father, played by Rahul Bhatt, is now on the lookout. Okay, he is divorced from the child's mother, and the child's stepfather, played by Ronit Roy, is a police officer who is also on the lookout for this child.
Yeah.
Now it becomes also like a case of, oh, did one of them do it? Did
Yeah.
Ronit Roy or the husband do it, or the ex-husband do it? Is there someone else? Is there some gang involved? Is there some kind of a whole plot? What is happening? And there's a lot of like there's some cerebral drama, like very intelligently made film, very
And a
unique,
very gritty movie.
very
Like,
gritty.
Very gritty, yeah.
it shows the
Also
ugly side of Mumbai.
Leaves you still feeling uncomfortable even after watching it.
Yeah.
One of those.
Opposite of Wake Up Sid.
No, correct. Very
ब्रो
correct,
इसमें
yeah.
एक चीज दिखाई जो देख के मेरे को आज भी फटती है कि there's one character I think who is in custody but not legally, like the police has caught him, और उसको कोई रैंडम फ्लैट में सलाखों के पीछे रखते हैं और बस जाके उसको पीटते हैं वहाँ पे, like he's legally not in custody but they've kept him and I'm just thinking ऐसे कितने अनजान फ्लैट होंगे बॉम्बे
हाँ.
में जो पुलिस बस यूज करती है लोगों को भरने के लिए because the
पीटने के
jails
लिए,
are
yeah.
full and everything.
Yeah.
So yeah,
there
it's
is, there is
just,
an epic, a very famous scene from this movie. Okay, whoever's seen this film will remember the scene in a police station
Oh,
where
man,
the father
yeah.
is pleading to the cop, do something, please just help me out.
तूने
What is
देखा
this?
ये सीन या तुझे याद है?
याद होगा,
याद
of
आ
course.
जाएगा,
Yeah,
जब बोलो।
This is the scene. This scene is a lot of what makes the film epic as a movie. Great like mind games and all are played in the movie. Amazing.
So that scene I think is like at a stretch they shot it like a 7-8 minute
Oh,
scene.
okay, it's like
and
one
the
one
entire
one
objective
take.
of the scene is this Rahul Bhatt character who's the father has to show the photo of the girl to the police officer. और वो बस देखे और ये तेरे फोन में फोटो कैसे आया? अच्छा
Oh,
ये
fuck, yes.
फोन करती है तो ऐसे फोटो आता है क्या मेरे
Oh,
उसमें कैसे
shit,
आएगा?
yes, you're
अब
right,
वो
now
उसकी
I
बेटी जो
remember.
किडनैप
Fuck.
हुई वो ऑफिसर को सिखा रहा है कि वो कांटेक्ट में तुम
हाँ,
फोटो कांटेक्ट कैसे लगे तो फोन करो कैसे आता
oh,
है?
fuck,
अच्छा
yes.
तेरा आईफोन है क्या? अच्छा मेरा तो नहीं है ऐसे कैसे? वो भाई क्या
अब
सीन
याद
है?
आया,
It's
yes.
really very good.
Great. Yeah.
But
so
yeah.
highly recommend. Also, like Anurag Kashyap, dude. You know, like this was the era that he was making just
Making,
fucking
yeah,
banger
dark
movies,
movies, yeah,
amazing
yeah.
dark movies.
Yeah.
And this is in the prime of that era. This is when Ugly came out.
आप लोगों ने बॉम्बे वेलवेट देखी है अनुराग कश्यप वाली?
मुझे नहीं पसंद है.
A lot of people say कि वो एक्चुअल में बहुत
It's
अच्छी है
not as
but
bad
वो
as people say.
ये मैंने
touted to
यही इंटेंशन के साथ मैंने देखने शुरू की थी कि शायद लोगों को समझ में नहीं आई होगी वो भी तो बहुत अच्छी बट भाई
हाँ,
no,
फिर
I'm
आपको भी
sorry,
समझ में
मुझे
ये वाला एक रणबीर तो जूता ही में.
You know, Ranbir is one of those actors who, see, I feel like he has done a lot of films like which are good, like Rocket Singh, but they don't work in the financial box office, right?
By the way, Rocket Singh was also one of my contenders for
Again,
underrated movie.
excellent.
Rocket Singh is a very good film.
Excellent,
very
excellent
good
film.
film.
I love
Very,
it. I love
I
it
think
so much.
रणबीर कपूर हमारे like growing up generation का finest actor लगता है मेरे को. One of the
Bro,
like in
अभी
the leading.
right now I feel if अगर कोई मेरे को आज पूछे, and I would like कि in the next 10 years the 3 superstars that we have are Ranveer and Vicky. I think those
Bro,
are
I
the
think we
trifecta.
already have.
Yeah, I think more or less.
ये तीनों ही हैं और कौन
यार
है?
लोग ये इसको बोलते रहते हैं ना, कार्तिक को यार.
क्या
Please, bro, no.
ये मतलब.
लोग बोलते रहते हैं
Bro, but they've announced another film with Karthik. T-Series have announced another
You
film.
mean another bad film with Karthik in it?
Why?
Yet another.
See, like again, playing the devil's advocate, आप जितना मर्जी गालियाँ दे लो, all his films are doing great business.
No, they're not.
Bro, they are.
Shehzada did not.
यार,
But Bhool Bhulaiya
भूल
3
भुलैया, भूल भुलैया
Bhul
3.
Bhulaiya 3
and
is
something
based
he did
on-
before that also, which
Bhul
was
Bhulaiya
सत्यरमी
3
का था, भूल भुलैया 3. All these films are like जितना पैसा.
Satyajit Katha didn't earn that much. I don't
Bro,
think,
it
Did it?
it recovered its money. It gave them profits. That's good enough.
Okay, I don't think it did. That's what I'm saying. But maybe I'm wrong.
okay.
हो सकता है.
Adarsh.
चलो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. But the thing is कि Kartik Aaryan is one of the most profitable actors right now. So
But
you
the 3
can't,
names
like-
you mentioned are, I think,
And they are,
apart
like-
from the Khans, I think they are maybe. I don't think even Shahid Kapoor comes close.
शाहिद कपूर अभी तो क्लोज यार. The thing is मुझे again शाहिद कपूर I feel he's very talented. Very
very,
very
Deva
talented.
flopped, right? Deva.
हाँ, मतलब
It
flop
kind of flopped,
नहीं, but like
the thing is, he's fantastic in it.
yeah, again
But the movie,
average-
the plot lets him down, dude. It's not as captivating as we would like it to be.
जो actual में
So-
मुंबई
Police.
पुलिस का था.
So the way I look at it is, the 3 Khans ka spots will be taken by Ranveer, and Vicky. And Saif ka spot will always be held by Shahid Khan, Shahid Kapoor,
Shahid
which he would
Kapoor.
help, which he would hate, because he's like, Saif ka spot nahi चाहिए मेरे को.
But dude, Saif का spot is a very good
It's a
spot.
very good spot.
Very good spot.
And
Very,
Saif
very
is very much around right now. For
Very
that
much around,
spot.
and also, dude, very much in the era of he is not the one carrying his movies
Yeah.
anymore. Like in the sense,
Yeah, but
he-
because I think he's just stopped giving a fuck.
he's just like, dude, I'll do interesting, good roles
Yeah,
where
I'm-
my acting kind
I'm
of
chillin'.
like, shines, and good times, dude. No
but
harm in that.
randomly people enter his house and stop him from.
Yeah, he's chilling. इतना भी chill मत
अब
But
तो उसका
where
बेटा भी
does, where
कमाने
does
लगेगा.
Varun Dhawan figure then in this?
Nowhere in my in
नहीं,
the
but
future of my
again,
world.
again मैं genuinely बोलूँ वरुण धवन भी like अगर आप
bankable, very
बदलापुर और वो
October.
भेड़िया
भेड़िया was
भेड़िया
also.
बदलापुर and
October.
October, dude, he's done a fabulous job. I think वो acting कर सकता है. I think he is one of those complete superstars जो आपका over the
superstar नहीं है bro.
मतलब बन सकता है. लाइक कि वो उससे आप ओवर द टॉप कॉमेडी करा लो, उससे आप सीरियस रोल करा लो, उससे आप एक्शन करा लो, डांस बहुत बढ़िया करता है. आई थिंक ही फिट्स द बिल इन ऑल द कैटेगरीज. लाइक पीपल ऑब्वियसली नो ऑफ हिम because of the over the top comedies that he's done, and people call him like an overacting करता है वगैरह वगैरह. But अगर आप उसकी actually बदलापुर और ये वाली films देखो तो he's pulled
Yeah.
off
If he gets a good director, he does a good.
yeah
job.
he does a good job.
Okay, fair enough.
Anyway,
Let's
ugly.
get to mine is ugly.
कहाँ पे देख सकते हैं?
Just search on Google, मिल जाएगा यार.
थोड़ा काम तो तुम भी करो.
हमें करेगा. Okay, but I'll tell you nonetheless, since you
I think
asked.
it's Prime only.
Released in 2013, 7.9 on IMDb this one. Okay, so again 7 point something, and it is available on Jio Hotstar.
Oh.
Oh, Jio Hotstar.
Jio Hotstar. It is weird to say Jio Hotstar.
I swear.
Also, their logo sucks. It's so bad, dude.
It could have
एक
been a
रात
strategy
पहले-
actually.
एक रात पहले बनाया.
It could have been a strategy कि इतना खराब बना दो that people start talking about it.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
Very well be. Anyway, okay, so
नहीं बोल दे.
another film that I have on my list is I don't know if you guys have watched it. This released in 2002. It's called Filhal. If you've watched it.
I think I have, but long ago.
Oh,
So I
Yeah.
Filhal, I haven't seen it.
It's Meghna
but-
Gulzar.
Meghna Gulzar.
Yes.
But maybe at some
I
point
think
I will.
I think it was her directorial debut. It's also written by Meghna Gulzar. Stars Sushmita Sen, Tabu, Sanjay Suri, and Palash Sen.
तब्बू की फिल्में देख रहे हैं.
हाँ, मेरी 3 में से 2 तो तब्बू की
Cast bowl से?
सुष्मिता सेन,
हाँ?
तब्बू,
Taboo, okay.
संजय सूरी, and Palash Sen.
Okay.
Yo, yeah, Palash Sen was in this.
Palash
one.
Sen, the singer.
Yeah,
the
singer.
Euphoria.
Oh, मैंने उनके साथ म्यूजिक वीडियो किया.
Oh, nice.
तूने पला सिंह का म्यूजिक वीडियो?
Yeah. I have
As in, it's already come out.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have acted in one of the music videos, which is called Sajna. So if you type YouTube, if you type Sajna Euphoria,
Oh, is it that song? It's Sajna Ji Wari Wari.
Yeah, Palash Sen was in that.
correct.
Yeah.
Nice, yeah. What a nice.
he just looks like KK Menon in that song. Otherwise, it's him only. Anyway, Filhal released. It's called Filhal for the women. It's that's why I laughed.
Filhal for the villain.
For the women.
For the women.
कुछ तो हुआ तेरी life में. I'm telling you, he's got a feminist
What is
girlfriend,
happening
bro.
today?
He's got some
so
lady,
funny because I
lady
didn't-
Shriram college feminist.
I didn't decide this, and the way the conversation went, now it's just like एक के बाद एक. But anyway,
So what happens in Filhal
So
for
it's-
the women?
so it's
Can
a-
men watch it though?
Yeah.
yeah.
Snail says most hated films, Animal and Kabir Singh. Hate them, road. Yeah, two.
But so it's on the theme of the film is surrogacy,
Okay.
Oh, like Chori 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 Nice.
but actual.
Nice, but well done.
But for the women.
उसके अंदर कोई
Not for the men.
उसके अंदर कोई झूठ बोल के सेक्स करना नहीं भेज
हाँ,
सकता
correct.
कि इसी को वो है इनफिडेलिटी पे
Yes.
picture.
Correct, that's true. That is the master class in how to infidel but be a good man.
So fucking funny. Oh god, वो बारिश में खुद को ही anyway.
Filhal.
So फिलहाल, yeah. So this released in 2002. So the basic plot is कि Tabu and Sushmita Sen are best friends since their childhood.
Okay.
ठीक है. And Tabu का दिखाया that she always wanted to have a family and etc. And Sushmita का ये दिखाया कि my career comes first. Once I'm settled in my life, then I'll think of marriage and all.
Oh, but then the career woman decides to take the baby of the other woman. Is that
हाँ, so basically, तो Palash Sen is I think in is with Sushmita Sen in the film, and Sanjay Suri is with Tabu. So Sanjay Suri, like Tabu and Sanjay Suri get married, and then they realize that Tabu cannot like
Tabu is the career woman or Sushmita is the career woman?
Sushmita is the career woman.
Okay.
ठीक है. So Tabu and so इन लोग को जब ये बात पता चलती है कि that Tabu cannot conceive, तो basically Sushmita steps up and says that I'll be the surrogate mother to your child. And Palash Sen का जो character है, he has been proposing marriage to Sushmita, but she's always said this कि भाई पहले मैं अपना career sort कर लूँ, then we'll figure this out. And when she says yes, तो Palash Sen का जो character है वो थोड़ा
गुस्सा
वो ऐसे हो जाता है कि भाई मतलब लाइक अब
हाँ, उसके लिए नहीं हाँ,
ठीक है. तो बट द स्टोरी बेसिकली रिवॉल्व्स कि नाउ सुष्मिता सेन इज कैरिंग तबूज एंड संजय सूरीज चाइल्ड एंड उसके बाद उन दोनों, सो बिकॉज देव बीन लाइक बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स सिंस द चाइल्डहुड, इसके बाद ये मूवी एक्सप्लोर करती है कि उन दोनों का रिलेशनशिप कैसे रिवॉल्व करता है, बदलता है, इवॉल्व होता है, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. संजय मतलब कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स लेके संजय सूरी जो है बिकॉज शी इज़ कैरिंग द चाइल्ड नाउ, तो उसकी तरफ ज़्यादा ध्यान देने लग जाता है. तब वो इनसिक्योरिटी होने लग जाती है कि भाई आई कांट कैरी अ चाइल्ड, तो शायद ये मुझसे प्यार नहीं करता, ये नहीं करता, वो नहीं करता. तो ऐसे करते करते फिल्म जो है वो आगे बढ़ती है. एंड देन इवेंचुअली
So Tabu and who's the other actress?
Sushmita.
Sushmita. They I think were doing movies quite a bit at this time.
Together?
How is
Miss-
how are
Bino.
Palash and Sanjay Suri in the
वेरी
movie?
गुड है. बहुत ही मतलब लाइक आप मेघना गुलजार की फिल्म से जैसे वो एक्सपेक्ट करोगे ना, बहुत ही सटल टू लाइफ जैसा. तो मुझे ये तीनों फिल्म जो मेरी हैं वो मुझे पसंद ही इसलिए हैं क्योंकि कोई ज्यादा ओवर ड्रामेटाइज करके.
That's what I'm a little surprised because you're often the guy who I perceive as he's more into like
अरे तो मैं ये चीज बोल बोल के थक गया हूँ कि दोस्तों मतलब मैं लाइक मुझे समझ मतलब एज इन मैं देखता सब हूँ, मुझे समझ है, मुझे समझ है फिल्म की. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि देखो बॉलीवुड के सपने तो स्लो मोशन वाली पिक्चरें देख के ही देखे हैं ना हर बंदे ने, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब मुझे फिल्म्स की समझ नहीं है.
Dhankar Beats guy, right?
Yeah. What happened to him? He just
My brother Nikhil, huh?
What happened to him, dude?
Yeah, I don't
He
know.
got AIDS. In My Brother Nikhil, he got AIDS.
ठीक है, nice. But yeah, it's a very good film.
Where can we watch?
It's on Amazon and YouTube. Definitely मतलब वही है ना जहाँ पे ऐसे चुप चुप के जैसा पिक्चर बन रहा है, जहाँ पे वो
Around the same time.
अराउंड द सेम टाइम सेम टॉपिक, जहाँ पे वो सरोगेसी के लिए कह रही है कि हाँ तुम्हें सेक्स करना पड़ेगा साथ में, वहाँ पे अ फिल्म लाइक फिलहाल एक्चुअली डील्स विद
Right.
you know this issue and with all its seriousness. तो इट्स अ गुड वॉच.
हमें नेटफ्लिक्स ने पैसे नहीं दिए इस एपिसोड के, एक भी पिक्चर जो हमने अब तक
हाँ
बताई
मेरी
वो
अगली
Netflix
वाली भी
पे है।
Netflix
And that's not by design, by the way. It's just Netflix के अच्छी पिक्चर है ही नहीं.
अच्छा,
but yeah,
हाँ.
बस.
Okay, so my next movie, I don't know if either of you have seen this. It's a film that came out in 2008, and the lead actor in this movie is Vinay Pathak.
Oh,
Okay.
Bheja
Bheja
Fry.
Fry.
Not Bheja Fry. I think Bheja Fry gets
Bheja-
the kind of
Oh,
attention.
Bheja Fry
it
too.
deserves. It's a film called Dasvidanya.
Oh,
Bro, what a fucking film, dude. I love it. I love it.
Have you
I've
heard of
seen
this
10
movie?
कहानियाँ.
Das Vidania, bro.
So Dasvidanya,
Is it Russia based?
it's a Russian
Yeah.
word. It means goodbye.
Bye bye. Yes.
बेसिकली 2008 में फिल्म बहुत छोटे बजट की फिल्म है. विनय पाठक प्लेज दिस 37-year-old अकाउंटेंट हु हैज अ वेरी लाइक इवेंटलेस लाइफ. मतलब वो
Bro,
सिंगल है,
crazy film है.
जिंदगी में लूजर
देखिए,
कंसीडर
yeah.
किया. ये बहुत बहुत कम लोगों से मिला वैसे जिन्होंने देखी है फिल्म.
हाय अब्बास नहीं.
हाय हाय. सो मैंने थिएटर में देखी. तूने थिएटर में देखी?
भाई मैं उतना बड़ा था ही नहीं कि मैं थिएटर 10 साल का था भाई. घर
10
वालों
साल
को क्या
theatre
बोलूंगा,
में
10 विदानियाँ देखने जाना मेरे को.
हाँ भाई. Good.
But one day he finds out that he doesn't have long to live. He has stomach cancer. So he only has a few remaining months to live out his life. So what he does is he makes a list of 10 things and he says कि मैं इनमें से सब ये चीज़ें करूँगा. And the list of things ranges from like buy a red car to go visit abroad. So basically it's not a very plot heavy film. बाकी
It's
film
like a feel good.
it's a feel good. It's a bittersweet film because he's also coming to terms with the fact that he doesn't have much to live. But it's a very, very, very well done film. Very gentle movie.
You mean he doesn't have long to live?
Doesn't have, what did I say?
Much to live.
Yeah, actually, he doesn't have long to live, but
And he doesn't have much to live also.
but he finds things in
To live
the
for.
limited time that he has to live for. इस फिल्म
And
में
this movie is one of those that'll, you know,
हाँ वो थोड़ा
हाँ
hurt you
मतलब
in the-
थोड़ा
in the
एंड
heart area.
वैसा ही होता है.
but please watch it. It's a very like at the end of it you will feel good. You will realize that life is worth living for, which I think is a great.
द थिंग मतलब वो ना जब वो अपनी सारी चीजें पूरी कर रहा था तो बीच बीच में उसको रियलाइजेशन हो रही होती हैं. लाइक ही थोड़ा पेन हो जाएगा, थोड़ा ये हो जाएगा, तो वो सब चीजें.
like you talk about this movie, Dasvidanya, right? There's a movie, there's a documentary released in 2024 called A Fly on the Wall. You may have seen it
I've
at
heard
Mami.
about it.
At
No, I
Mami,
haven't
maybe
seen
you
it.
saw it or something. I think it was there. Okay, so dude, I heard about it because of Tis on an episode of
Is
Tis.
this about the guy who writes a blog about his? Okay.
About his?
Sorry, about his last few days.
So basically, it's like that. So Vaibhav Munjal from
Chalchitra
Chalchitra
Talks,
basically recommended this. Okay, and what a plot for a documentary. Okay, Chika Kapadia,
the comedian.
the comedian
Yeah, I know about
who
this
was
movie.
one of the forefathers of the
First,
Indian scene.
yeah.
Okay, this is when Tanmay and all started. He used to do comedy then, and Varun like from Tis knows him. Thakur knows him, like knew him back then, and apparently he was funny, like a good comedian for his time, right? For the first batch of Indian comics. The documentary follows his last days. Okay, so he basically figured out that Sweden allows for assisted suicide. Okay, what's the word?
Euthanasia.
Euthanasia.
Yeah.
Okay, it allows this legally. It's allowed in the system. So he moves there. Okay, he finds out that he had this much time to live. So he's like, I don't want to suffer. So I will do euthanasia in this time, and he gets his filmmaker friend to document this whole period. Okay, that's the documentary. And it's apparently it's heartfelt. It's very funny. So this is something I've been meaning to watch, but I can't get enough to watch it because I know it is so heavy.
Yeah.
You know, it'll like hurt my heart, dude. I don't want.
I remember this because you're right. It was at Mami, and a lot of people came
Yeah.
out crying from
I'm
the
shocked.
screening.
With how can they
And
not
the film is as much about him as it is about the filmmaker friend
Yeah,
who's making
who's-
it.
because, dude-
it's like I'm documenting my friend's death.
Yeah, can you imagine that, dude?
And but yeah, Chika was a comedian, so I'm sure. I think he wrote a monthly or a weekly column for Mirror or Midday
Or is it?
about the end days of his life, and his entire objective was कि मैं रोते रोते नहीं जाऊंगा. I will write funny columns. I will document how I am marching towards the end of my life. And those blogs are still available. So just Google it and you will find it. But
You know, this
but yeah.
sentiment stays with me, dude. Like of the कि मुझे दर्द नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
You know, like even in Rockstar, कि मेरा दिल नहीं टूटना चाहिए.
Hmm.
That the thought behind that dialogue always stayed with me.
Yeah, I think such movies, again, it's maybe not a very light movie to watch. There's also another film called The Bucket List, if you remember, with Morgan Freeman
Yeah,
and Jack
and
Nicholson,
Jack Nicholson, yeah.
which is also about two old people striking off things off of the bucket list. So, Dasvidanya is not a very sad movie. Please watch it. It's a feel-good film. I just checked online. It doesn't seem to be legally streaming anywhere. But if you check out on YouTube, Dasvidanya full movie, there is a link available where you can watch the movie. So I highly recommend it. Please watch Dasvidanya.
ये पता है 10 विधानियाँ मैंने कब देखी थी? So in 2015 या 15 था शायद, शेक्सपियर थिएटर कॉमेडी फेस्टिवल जो ये सब करते हैं, तो ये लोग दिल्ली में शो कर रहे थे एंड दे वर लुकिंग फॉर वॉलंटियर्स. तो क्योंकि मैं थिएटर करता था तो आई अप्लाई लाइक भाई इनके साथ काम करने को मिलेगा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. तो वहाँ पे लाइक आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ द थिएटर बैकग्राउंड. तो वहाँ पे लाइक वी वर सिटिंग विद विनय पाठक एंड वी वर लाइक टॉकिंग. तो उस टाइम पे ऐसे ही बात स्टार्ट हो गई थी.
So did they screen the movie?
No, they didn't screen the movie. We were just talking about
Okay.
films.
हाँ.
Yeah, I think कब आई है 10 विधानियाँ?
2008.
8 में है ना? हाँ. I think it was that, क्योंकि मैं क्यों ही डाउट ले रहा हूँ, एक ही बार बात करी है मैंने मेरे पाठक से लाइफ में, अब लाइक मेरा बड़ी थोड़ी है. But yeah, I think that was the time when we got to know about 10 विधानियाँ and we watched.
So where did you watch it eventually?
वो नहीं
On
पता
TV?
मेरे को, वो नहीं पता
15-16 ही सही ना?
वो नहीं पता मेरे को, वो मेरे को आइडिया ही नहीं है.
Okay, fair enough.
वो मुझे
Anyway,
कहीं
last
तो
round.
थी वो.
हाँ, समझ गया.
मेरी दीवार पे स्क्रीन हो रही थी. पल्प फिक्शन के नीचे तेजा मैं हूँ, मार किधर है. Anyway,
Last round.
So I would say I'm winning up till now, right? Of course.
Yeah. Apparent and Ugly.
Yes.
Is your third film also about kidnapping?
Let's see, dude. It can be.
is
can
it
you be-
called Madari?
No, can you be kidnapping money? Because it's about a bank heist. Aankhein.
Bro, आंखें.
It's not that underrated.
Achha, okay.
It's not that underrated.
The
I would say.
Amitabh Bachchan one?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah, dude.
So the thing is, no, like whenever I think of Aankhein, whenever someone says the Aankhein the movie, I think of the Govinda one first.
Yeah.
Chunky Pandey Govinda,
Yeah.
no?
But the thing is, over the years, what has happened?
Oh, Sushmita Sen film.
Yeah.
This Aankhein, yes.
Yes,
The
Sushmita
Amitabh Bachchan
Sen.
Aankhein.
Yes.
Over the years, what has happened
Yeah.
is the Amitabh Bachchan Aankhein has become, I feel, more better known
Yeah.
than the
Yeah.
Govinda Aankhein.
Yeah.
Even though I feel the Govinda Aankhein is a more entertaining film, even though the Amitabh Bachchan Aankhein is a more
Literal.
smarter film. You know what I mean? It's just what it is, dude. Okay. But I can recommend both the Aankhens in that category. Whichever
Same.
you see is
This one also and this one also.
Correct, yes.
Both the
All 4 Aankhen, yes.
Yes.
If you recommend 12 other films with hands, it will be Do Aankhein 12 Haath. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
What is that
That's
referring
also-
to? There's no reference.
There's a movie called Do
That's a
Aankhein
film,
12
Do
Haath.
Aankhein
Oh,
Baara
Barat.
Haath. Yeah.
Okay, another underrated film. Nice.
Wow, dude,
Nice,
fuck.
very cool.
It's funny how I know this. Ki
Yeah.
there's a film called
It's
Do
a very
Aankhein Baara
popular
Haath. Yeah,
movie,
I
yeah.
know, but anyway.
And so which one would you like to tell us about?
Both. No. But actually, I thought the Amitabh Bachchan Aankhein is.
I love the film.
I
Yeah,
love
it's
the
a very
film.
fun
It is a
film.
fantastic film.
Yeah.
With
Also, one
great
of the
songs.
rare films where Mr. Bachchan was doing a series of negative roles.
Yeah, correct.
or slightly negative roles.
Yeah.
And this was one of them. So,
जब
yeah.
end में उसका अरे जब मैंने बोला ही नहीं.
Also, this is the Delnas movie. Na? Delnas ne
हाँ,
kaha
Delnas
hai,
ने
तो
कहा
है.
था सर इधर
This
है,
Phatela
तो
J
है.
movie.
Yes.
Yeah, bro, the
Phatela
funniest is जब वो लोग heist में होते हैं and Arjun Rampal is in the burqa, no, and staying true to the thing. Akshay Kumar is like number 3 संदूक बाहर उठा के चली जा, and then he picks it up and then he goes. So funny, love it.
Yeah, a very, very extremely unique
Yeah,
film.
extremely unique.
Very, very underrated. I mean, even to think that something like this would work in India, to have a
Yeah.
community to make it, to see it through till the end, is commendable in itself. As a
मैं
film.
बताता हूँ अभी मेरी जो तीसरी फिल्म है that will not work in India these days. Anyway,
Okay.
continue.
I might be wrong, but I think it was based on a play, on a Gujarati play.
Is it?
I
Oh,
think.
possibly.
Oh, that was oh my god,
But
Krishna
I think
versus
even
Kanhaiya.
Aankhein, yeah. I might be wrong, but I think so. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
हो
I think
सकता
there's
है.
only one Gujarati play in history. Or I think it's only that one.
मजाक कर रहा हूँ.
That one.
The reason I know this is because we did an episode of Aakhe on Has It Aged Well with Chirayu Mistry.
Wait, where did you do it?
And where can people watch it, Abbas?
On YouTube. And
What
we
is the
did
show
it with
called?
Chirayu
Has
Mistry. बोल रहे. Chirayu Mistry, the Gujarati comedian. I think he told me that this was based off a Gujarati play.
Okay.
Nice, nice.
Anyway, anything else you want to say about Aakhe?
Where can people watch it?
Watch it with your aankhein anywhere you want.
Nice.
But everywhere. It's easy
Just
to find. You'll
don't
find it.
trouble your mother,
Yes,
father,
you'll find
and
it.
Bharat Mata.
But you know, the thing is, I do want people to watch the other aankhein also. So please watch that also.
Actually,
Yeah,
you're right. Not enough people have now seen that.
Yeah.
David Dhawan Aakhe.
Another movie that I'll watch at least like once or twice in a year. That other aankhein.
Everybody has a double role in that.
हाँ. तभी तो वो आँखें हैं ना भाई, आँख नहीं.
Three people have. Yes, you're right. 3 will have double roles.
My first
Govinda,
ever.
Kader Khan, and the politician.
महान देखी है आपने? अमिताभ बच्चन वाली.
Babbar, Raj Babbar.
तो महान में ना, जैसे अपने डबल रोल की बात करें ना, तो महान में अमिताभ का ट्रिपल रोल है.
महान.
एंड में जब वो विलेन के सामने जाते हैं ना, तो वो 3 अलग अलग अमिताभ जाते हैं. तो लाइक, अरे तुम हो कितने? एंड देन इज लाइक, जनाब पौन दर्जन.
Nice.
It's so funny. Anyway.
Pow.
Aakhe, the David Dhawan Aakhe was my very first film ever in a theater. I was 5 years old.
Really?
And I remember this because जब इंटरवल हुआ था मैं बहुत रेस्टलेस हो गया था कि कहानी खत्म नहीं हुई, बंद क्यों कर दिया? अरे
So my father used to be I actually don't know if he still is that tied with him, but for a few years in the middle he was very good friends with Pehlaz Nilani.
Right,
Okay.
yes,
And there is one
We've never heard this story. Please repeat.
you haven't?
We've not heard, we've heard many times that he was friends with Pehlaz.
Oh, okay. So then I must have told you this part also because
But you can tell it again.
Yeah, please.
okay, so there is one scene in Aankhein, okay, where the Gauri Shankar wala Govinda,
Yes.
the one from the Gaon Govinda, he's on a train, okay, and there is a guy who is sleeping on his shoulder on the train, just a random, NPC.
That's Pehlaz Nilani.
That's Pehlaz Nilani.
Yeah.
And how I know that's Pehlaz Nilani, I would never have noticed this because, but my dad loves pointing this out whenever the scene comes in the film.
Just like Antriksh loves telling this story.
This story every time we talk about Aakhe.
I've said this story,
Yeah.
right?
And just like you keep plugging As It Is Well despite not haven't done it like since a year at this point.
103 episodes online. Okay. What
ठीक
was
है.
that? What was that Amitabh movie you said? Maharaj.
महान.
Okay. Sorry, continue.
Yeah. So किसकी बारी है अब? दूसरा और कौन बोल रहा है?
There.
मैं ही बोल रहा हूँ. अच्छा ठीक है. Talking about Mr. Bachchan, the film that I have third on my list is मैं आज़ाद हूँ.
Oh.
Bro, I love the film. I absolutely love the film. मैं आज़ाद हूँ. Stars obviously Amitabh Bachchan, Shabana Azmi, Anu Kapoor, and Anupam Kher.
इस चीज पे नहीं बोल.
The film is written by Javed Akhtar Saab and
Without Salim.
and it's directed by Tinu Anand.
Oh.
Tinu Anand, what does he make?
You must have seen in Bluffmaster. The
चमत्कार देखिए.
The guy with the 2 buck teeth.
Oh,
He
God.
plays a villain in a lot of movies.
चमत्कार देखिए.
हाँ, देखिए.
मार्गो वाली.
मैंने देखी है पर मेरे को अभी कैरेक्टर्स नहीं याद होंगे सारे
चलो
characters.
ठीक है. वो सालार देखिए.
भाई बोल तो दिया इसने.
अच्छा पहचान गया. अच्छा ठीक है. सॉरी मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. Sorry.
Don't make up more movies that I have no idea.
So this movie released in 1989. ठीक है. And the plot of the film is basically कि शबाना आज़मी is a column writer in a newspaper and उसका column उतना चल नहीं रहा है. तो जो
Oh, you mean like a column writer?
तो
In a
जो-
magazine.
In 1989.
नहीं, things haven't changed.
You can ask this column writer.
बट एनीवे सो उसका कॉलम उतना चल नहीं रहा है एंड द एडिटर बेसिकली सेज कि अगर तुम इतने दिन में अपना कॉलम नहीं चला पाई तो बोरी बिस्तरा उठाओ और चले जाओ यहाँ से. ठीक है. एंड वो अपना कॉलम लाइक शी सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड लाइक मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है मैं क्या लिखूं. शी बेसिकली बिल्ड्स अ फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर कॉल्ड आज़ाद and she writes a column which is a letter from this character called Azad and he says कि देश में इतना वो है करप्शन है एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा हालत बहुत खराब है टू प्रोटेक्ट मतलब टू स्टैंड
1989 कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट. हाँ.
टू
Yeah, all corruption has been solved.
अब कोई करप्शन नहीं है.
No corruption.
तो तो मैं लाइक एक एक हॉस्पिटल का एक कुछ एंगल है उसके अंदर, मुझे एग्जैक्टली याद नहीं है क्या एंगल है, तो इज लाइक कि इस हॉस्पिटल के एक छत पे जाके आई विल जंप,
हाँ.
ठीक है, जस्ट टू लाइक टेक अ स्टैंड एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. उस हॉस्पिटल में कुछ नेता इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, उनका एक एंगल
This
है.
is the letter.
Yeah, this
that
is the
she's
column.
writing, that
This
she's
is
writing,
this is the column. And the moment like that column gets printed the next day in the next edition, it goes the equivalent of viral. ठीक है. And now everybody is waiting for Azad's next move.
You mean to say in 89 media was trying to create fake sensationalism to get eyeballs? What are you saying?
Wait, I understand. Azad said कि I'll go on top of this terrace and jump.
Yeah, on
Azad is
15th.
fictional.
But
is-
Azad is
That's fine.
fictional.
But लोगों को इससे प्यार, आइडिया ऑफ आजाद से प्यार हो जाता है.
हाँ, because he's taking a stand against the corruption.
But is Shabana Azmi's character trying to portray कि oh this is an actual real person?
Yeah.
So then people actually think there's someone gonna jump,
Yeah.
and then nobody jumps.
Imagine tomorrow in Times of India there's a column saying that this country is fucked. I'm gonna give my life.
Yeah.
Obviously everybody will.
Everybody's like, कि कौन है ये? This who's this person?
So did they reach that hospital का terrace?
हाँ, that's what he says. Coming to that.
That's I'm coming to that. So he says कि 15th August को, yeah, he gives like a date कि मैं इस तारीख को मैं jump
मैं
करने
आजाद
वाला
को
हूँ.
आजाद
हाँ, ठीक है.
myself.
And now like there are like a certain number of days to that date, and now everybody wants to listen to what Azad has to say next. Like what's his next move? What's he gonna say? Like he's gonna start a movement. ठीक है. तो everybody finds hope in Azad, and now the editor is like, भाई कौन है Azad? Bring him to office, dude.
Yeah.
We need more of him. And
Let's
then,
do a podcast with
Yeah,
him.
and then she's like, bitch, fuck shit. We don't have anybody.
मैंने तो हाँ.
Like you were kicking me out of my job,
Oh.
so I created someone called
Then
Azad.
she has to now employ Amitabh
And
Bachchan's
now
character.
she's like, and now he's like, अगर
An
तुम
actor.
मेरे पास कल तक आजाद नहीं लाई, तो now you're out. And now he's like, अरे यार, तू मेरे
यार
पास जीने क्यों?
या करेक्ट. मेरा कॉलम चले तो प्रॉब्लम, नहीं चले तो प्रॉब्लम है, क्या करूं?
And now he's like, तू मेरे जीने क्यों नहीं दे रहा भाई?
Yes.
And now she's like, she's very tense. She's walking back. She's on the lookout. And then यहाँ पे अमिताभ बच्चन की एंट्री होती है. And इतनी खूबसूरत एंट्री है अमिताभ बच्चन की, ठीक है. सो एक प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है या यहाँ पे लोग हैं and everybody is there. So जमीन पे एक आधा खाया हुआ एप्पल गिरा हुआ है. And Amitabh Bachchan is so hungry. He's not eaten anything. They don't have a place to live. Amitabh Bachchan and Anu Kapoor are playing friends, by the way. So Amitabh Bachchan is eyeing that apple and he's trying to pick that apple up without anybody noticing him. He's like, किसी को दिखना नहीं चाहिए कि मैं नीचे से उठा. And that is when she's like कि आजाद.
ये बंदा है हाँ.
And now the entire film is कि कैसे
लोगों को कन्विंस करने
कैसे कि नहीं लोगों को कन्विंस, लोगों ने चेहरा थोड़ी देखा आजाद का. Now she basically goes to Amitabh. She
has to
gives
create this
Yeah,
character,
she
हाँ.
gives him this offer कि भाई तुम ये बन जाओ, वैसा है ऐसा है. और क्या कहते हैं, जिस दिन की मैंने डेट बोली है उस दिन से पहले गायब हो जाना. हम बोल देंगे कि आजाद चला गया है. Dude, the like from a homeless person, like वो इतने homeless दिखाया that they actually मतलब अनु कपूर और अमिताभ बच्चन वो शॉप में पत्थर मारते हैं ताकि पुलिस उनको पकड़ के जेल में ले जाए ताकि उनके पास रात का सोना और एक टाइम का खाना हो जाए. वो ऐसे दिखाए हैं. तो उस इंसान से जिसको दुनिया की कोई फिक्र ही नहीं है, उस इंसान से वो कैसे आज़ाद बनता है, जर्नी कैसे वो पॉलिटिक्स के अगेंस्ट स्टांस लेता है, करप्शन के अगेंस्ट स्टांस लेता है, वो एक लोगों की आवाज़ बनता है. दैट इज़ द फिल्म.
Nice.
What a fucking film, dude. Definitely watch it. It's free on Sony Live and YouTube. Please do watch it. अमिताभ बच्चन की बहुत कम ऐसी फिल्म्स हैं जो underrated है.
हाँ bro, correct.
Also, I'm thinking 89 में Amitabh was already a superstar, so for
Yeah.
him to play this
This-
destitute,
yeah.
poor person, must
Bro,
have been,
very good film. Definitely watch it. समय मिले तो ज़रूर देखो. बहुत अच्छी है. नहीं
समय तो
भी
नहीं मिलेगा
समय
आजकल.
रहना है.
नहीं भी मिले तो take time out and watch this film. It's a very good film.
Nice, nice. That should have been the final thing. Now अभी मैं जो बोलूँगा वो नहीं उस level का है यार.
But generally, like the thing is कि ऐसी फिल्म आज नहीं बन सकती भाई.
हाँ. I
नहीं
know.
ये फिल्म नहीं इतनी, चलो खैर ज़्यादा क्या ही बोलूँ. That is the point basically. But
Okay, so my final pick is so I wanted to do one like a indie underrated movie which was Das Vidania. One I wanted to do was like a comedy underrated which was Phas Gaye Ro Obama. ये जो final film है it's an animated movie. Indian
Ramayana.
animation, no, not Ramayana.
Oh, I got Roadside Romeo.
No. Indian
Chetak.
animation. अरे बोलने दो भाई मेरे को. Indian animation right now is still in a very like in nascent stage. It's like it's still developing. But ये एक movie है Indian animation जो मुझे लगता है almost was on par with.
Bro,
a
we
lot
have to
of
be able to guess this. Come on,
other-
wait.
No,
wait.
it's a movie that not many people have seen. It didn't come out for long. It's a movie called Arjun the Warrior Prince.
Oh yeah, dude, it's Cartoon Network.
Bro,
Yes.
ये कार्टून नेटवर्क पे वो
That was-
पूरा टाइम आती रहती थी.
क्या बात
This
कर
was
रहा है?
literally my next
This is
guess.
not. This is not underrated.
No, it
भाई,
is.
मतलब
It is
ठीक
very
है,
underrated. Yes.
मतलब मैं तो टीवी के आगे पड़ा रहता था तो that's why I know.
This is very underrated because even Ramayana firstly is underrated. This one
Yeah,
is
but
even more
that
underrated than
wasn't produced in India.
Yeah, this
That-
one was-
Ramayana was a
This is 3D
Japanese
animation.
production. This is kind of 2D animation with some CGI, but it's based on, of course, the
Arjun the Warrior.
mythological
The life of
character
Arjun, yeah.
Arjun.
Pandit,
But the
yeah.
thing is, if you watch the movie, the mythology is not like too much magical mythology. They have grounded it a little bit. The reason I also like this movie is I want to give a shout out to a friend of mine called Rohitav Sharma, who was the first assistant director on this movie.
Oh.
And he told me that UTV literally had to create technology to make this movie, rotoscoping and all of that. तो इस फिल्म का जो बजट था और जो टाइमलाइन था वो 2 या 2.5 साल का था. इस फिल्म को बनने के लिए 4 साल लग गए. ठीक है. So it went way over budget. It went way over this thing. And it's one of those sad instances where UTV itself killed its own movie. Because the week that this movie came out was also the week that Rowdy Rathod came out, which was also a UTV movie. And they splashed
चिंता था चिता के आगे तो नहीं चल पाएगा देखो
they splashed the screens and show times with Rowdy Rathod, and Arjun Warrior Prince essentially got like an early morning show and a late night show. So it could not sustain.
But it was on Cartoon Network and Pogo
Yeah.
all the time.
Okay, I did not know that. So maybe a lot of younger people who are now Snehi.
Let us know if you remember this film, Arjun the Warrior Prince. Yeah, of course.
So in case you guys have not seen this film, please check it out. So the voice cast is really good. Another thing is that, like you said, it was on Cartoon Network and Pogo a lot of time, most of the time. But still, it's not dumbed down for kids.
Yeah.
Like this movie is not. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है स्पेशली mythology में where to impress young kids they put like really childish jokes or sound effects, but इस फिल्म का score, look, everything was made for like a slightly mature audience, not just kids.
Yeah.
So yeah, Arjun the Warrior Prince, again I checked it and it's not right now streaming anywhere. I remember it was briefly on Netflix for a while, so it might show up again. But do check out Arjun the Warrior Prince. I think it's one of the few 2D animated films which is on par with a lot of
एक एनिमेशन फिल्म थी जंबो देखिए
नहीं.
अक्षय कुमार एंड
Oh yeah.
everything's gonna be alright.
Yes.
Everything's gonna be alright. जब तक तू है मेरे साथ everything's gonna be alright.
So then, before we end, I want to talk
मेरे
about...
पास एक दो स्पेशल मेंशन है.
हाँ, वो भी मैं करने वाला था.
हाँ करो करो आप कर
So,
लो.
I've
मेरे वाले
talked about
अच्छे
this movie once or twice before also. तेरे पास कितने हैं?
मेरे वाले अच्छे हैं.
Okay, sure, buddy. I'm gonna stop recording right after my own thing. There's one movie that I would like to mention.
Yeah.
It is a English film, but basically it's an Indian film, but shot in English, like recorded in English.
Buckingham
But with-
Murders.
No, but with a lot of like only all Indian actors basically.
Yeah.
The lead of this film is played by Anjan Srivastav.
अंजन श्रीवास्तव. हाँ.
Okay, Anjan Srivastav.
Oh okay.
Okay, and the movie is called God Only Knows.
Oh.
Okay, it's like a political satire film. Okay, it's about a politician who dies, is taken to hell by Yamraj. Okay,
Again, cannot be made today, but go on.
yeah, a politician who dies is taken to hell by Yamraj because he's a politician.
Yeah,
right?
fair.
At least a corrupt politician he is.
Corrupt
for that matter,
politician. Yeah.
Okay, taken to hell, and he realizes that after reaching hell that he can hold elections to become the ruler of hell also.
Wow,
Okay?
nice.
So now he's fighting against Yamraj to become the ruler of hell, and there are like so many. It's a musical also. So there are like comedy songs in the middle.
Oh, nice.
Fun. There's a song about cops asking for hafta. There's a song around
In
this.
the afterlife.
No. This is.
Oh, acha.
I think yeah.
Yeah, obviously it has to be in hell. Yeah, wow. So
Yeah.
cops are also in hell.
Cops are
The
also there.
politicians are also
Dude,
in
and
hell.
you'll see so many of the comedic actor faces from like the 90s, 2000s.
Yeah,
They're in
yeah,
this
yeah,
film.
yeah,
Very cool, very unique film. I don't think it is that highly rated. But that's probably only because it's not
Not
known
seen
only.
very
I think.
much. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I think if you watch it today, you'll be like, dude, it's so ahead of its
Fair,
time.
yeah, ho
I
sakta hai.
watched it in the 7th standard or 8th standard. When I was so how old are you when you're in 7th, 8th?
10-ish.
Around 10ish, right?
Yeah.
So then that was like 20 years ago.
थोड़ा और बड़ा ना.
So to like
To 11, 12.
okay, so close to 20 years ago
Yeah.
is when I watched it. And dude, yeah, I still think about this movie like every other once in a while, and I'll be like, wow,
कहीं है available है या ढूंढनी पड़ेगी?
I think ढूंढनी पड़ेगी पर एक मिनट वापस
What's
check
it called
करेगा.
again?
God only
God
knows.
only knows.
God only knows.
It'll be available on YouTube or something. It's not
नाम ही
available
से
anywhere
नहीं आने देंगे.
Yeah. But I also have like a couple
else. Yeah,
of
it's on YouTube. It's on YouTube.
Okay.
nice.
Yeah.
You have more recommendations? I have a couple more recommendations. One, my always like this will be a forever recommendation.
Tarzan मत बोलना भाई.
Tarzan the Wonder Car, obviously. Like imagine like science and
It's not underrated. I'm sorry to say.
भाई पता धीरे धीरे कल्ट डेवलप हो रहा है Tarzan the
exactly,
Wonder
yeah.
Car, and I'm so surprised. जिस दिन Tarzan the Wonder Car re-release. But anyway, one of the special mentions that I had was Firak, if you heard of it.
Oh,
It's a
wonderful
lovely-
film.
What a fucking film! It's
please watch
please
that
watch
film.
it. Yeah, I don't know. Again,
Very heavy movie.
very
yes.
heavy film. Directed by Nanita Das, released in 2008. Stars Naseer Saab, Paresh Rawal, Nawazin
बहुत
Siddiqui.
लोग हैं
भाई मतलब धुरंधर व धुरंधर. Great film.
Deepti Nawal is also.
Deepti Nawal is also there in the film. Yes, for sure.
Yeah, I mean, जिस बारे में ये फिल्म है वो चीजें आज के माहौल में ज्यादा नहीं बात की जाती.
नहीं
उस
बात
बारे
की
में,
जाती
तो
और
please
उनके
देखो.
ऊपर yeah. It's a very good film. Very good film. The film is available on Z5. Definitely watch it.
The same platform as Mrs.
Mrs. Yes. जब आप Mrs. देखो, Mrs. देख के फिराक देख
देख
लेना. या फिराक देख के Mrs. देख लेना actually.
नहीं पहले Mrs. देख लो.
चलो पहले Mrs. देख लेना फिर फिराक देख
Isn't Ghumar also on Z5?
I didn't want to say it. I didn't want to say it. I wanted to put that as my number one for underrated movies.
लेना. And उसका एक scene तो oh my fucking god.
That scene is overrated.
But yes, Z5 very much also has Ghumar.
Yes.
So don't watch either of these films. Go watch.
watch Ghumar.
But bro, what do you care? They're not getting money from that.
How do you know? I'm not telling you. No, I'm not getting.
I
any.
100% know that you're not getting money.
I don't think for
Even Abhishek is
Not for Ghumar.
Ghumar at this point.
Hey, wait, did either of you see that movie? I want to talk.
No, I've been meaning to watch
even
it,
I've been wanting
but
to
I've
watch
been so my friends watched it, my mom watched it. She's like, it's very slow. So if you have like ample time
Yeah,
without
yeah.
any sleep in your like
Life.
life, so then watch it. But anyway, I've heard it's a good film.
what else do you
So Firak is obviously like one of the recommendations, and another recommendation is Door. If you haven't watched it,
Oh, Door. Door is great.
Door is a
Wonderful.
great
ये
film.
हौसला. What a
Bro,
song.
मेरे को
Yeah.
क्या रियलाइज हो रहा है पता ना स्नेहिल को मतलब जो अच्छी मीनिंगफुल फिल्में होती है ना वो तू अंडररेटेड में स्लॉट कर देता है. तो इफ यू एक्चुअली वांट टू नो फ्रॉम स्नेहिल
But Door
what's
is
a good
underrated.
movie he has seen, you should ask him what's an
But
underrated.
all of these are underrated.
Yeah, I
films.
would
Yeah,
say,
yeah.
The Door is a wonderful film. Again on female friendship. Not a lot of films.
Who's the feminist you're dating?
Very good film.
and who else?
Gulpanag and Aisha Takya.
Aisha Takya, yeah.
Very good film.
Also from Tarzan the Wonder.
Also from yes. That is how I integrate Tarzan the Wonder
But
Car.
I think single-handedly, the reason why most people might have watched Door is because that song ये हौसला
ये हौसला के
हर reality show में बजा
Yeah,
बजा
yeah,
के उसको
What a
घिस
song,
डाला है.
dude. I love
Yeah,
that
it's a
song.
wonderful song.
Man.
I have one last recommendation, which is it's a film called Loins of Punjab Presents. So this is from around that time where reality singing shows were getting really big, like American Idol and all. So it's about this really fuck all low budget reality singing show for the Indian diaspora in America, which only this handful of Indian people give a shit about. And it's written by Anuva Pal, a comedian friend, and it's directed by this director called Manish Acharya, who was very promising, but unfortunately he passed away very early, so he could not make many films. But Loins of Punjab Presents, it's on YouTube and Amazon Prime. Check it out. Very, very funny film. and a lot of laughs. So yeah,
Dude, there was again a time period where a lot of these English
English film there.
this thing movies were made.
Yeah.
English movies. There's one called American Desi.
Yes.
I've seen this one.
Yeah.
Dude, again very fun.
The whole ABCD thing came from there, you know, American born confused AC.
Yeah, I think it came
Yeah,
from American
it
Desi.
came
The
from
song
that.
movie. Yeah,
Yeah,
correct. You're right. Yeah. Dude, what a thing.
Yeah.
What a time. Cool. That
But dude,
was-
I think हमने सही recommendations दे दिए
बहुत सही
आपको, right?
recommendation की. I'm very
Dude,
surprised
इतने
by
सारे.
Snehil's recommendation.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I thought he'll be
Yeah.
like fucking. I thought Baby John 1 2 इसमें बोलेगा.
and my movies are great to watch if you're ever kidnapped.
तो आपको पता होगा कैसे निकलना है उसमें से.
Yes, correct. पैसे देके रिसीट लेके जाना.
And Netflix gets some better movies because none of our recommendations were.
Dude,
on
I think
Netflix.
I think the problem Netflix has now is they have so much. They have huge
Original
budgets.
stuff. Huh.
No, they have huge budgets. So they get all the big movies end up on Netflix. So they don't have budgets to buy the lower
The underrated ones.
underrated
Yeah,
ones.
yeah, yeah.
Talking about budgets, the Great Indian Kitchen के बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे. तो क्या हुआ था जब उन्होंने फिल्म बनाई थी, तो आप फिल्म देखोगे तो आपको पता लगेगा कि उतना बजट वो नहीं है. तो दे एक्चुअली रिलीज के लिए भी नहीं उनके पास कुछ था. तो दे वेंट टू Amazon. दे बोले कि भाई खरीद लो हमसे ये फिल्म. Amazon ने मना कर दिया कि हमें नहीं चाहिए. एंड देन उन्होंने किसी रीजनल प्लेटफॉर्म पे जुगाड़ करके रिलीज करवा दी और फिल्म फट गई भाई. एंड देन Amazon went to them कि भाई प्लीज हमें ये फिल्म दे दो. एंड देन दे probably must have like sold it for like much more money.
Good success story. I like this. I like this.
But yeah, good film. वो भी देख सकते हो.
You know, this happens sometimes, right? When I love it when, like, you know, actors especially will always remember when they make it, right? They'll remember the people who said no to them. कि ये casting
Yeah.
director मेरे को मना किया था, भगाया था.
हाँ.
ये प्लेटफॉर्म ने मेरे को कहा था कि मेरी मूवी नहीं चलेगी, भगाया था फिर को, और ये मूवी सुपर हिट हो गई. So those stories are very cool to see.
Yeah, fair.
That the underdog got his say.
Yeah,
And now
eventually,
is
yes.
no longer the underdog.
So all those platforms who said no to Filmy Colada.
Yeah.
Beware.
Beware, because we are coming.
I
am coming.
Crazy. You know, Netflix said
Okay,
no to
okay,
us.
say.
Netflix said we are too wild
Yeah.
to have on.
इसलिए उन्होंने
Yes.
वाइल्ड वाइल्ड कंट्री करके वाइल्ड वाइल्ड वेस्ट करके शो बना लिया है.
Yes.
But हमें नहीं दिया स्पॉट.
But Filmy Colada is too wild for even that. That's what it is.
But yes.
Anything we want to plug before we wrap up?
Yes, watch everything I'm doing.
Not everything.
Yeah.
Everything professionally.
No, it was everything. That Filmy Game Show, Spanner Bender, Popcorn देख ही रहे हो. Crickheads, The Internet Said So.
आप बाकी
Arjun
शोज पे
Isaacs.
प्लग करते हैं शो को?
हाँ bro, always.
तो ऑडियंस क्यों नहीं आ रही?
हमारे पास बाकी उससे ज़्यादा ऑर्डर थे bro.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ bro, the two except for Tess of course.
इस पे प्लग करो ना.
इसमें
hanging
मैं
on
अपना भी
screen
प्लग
नहीं
नहीं कर पाता ब्रो. अगर वो कर पाता तो भाई कहाँ पे
post करना लगाना
But yeah, I do.
But yeah, watch all his stuff. Follow me on Instagram. I'm AbbasMomin88. Anything you want to plug?
And I am at the Snail on Instagram. And please subscribe to the channel. If you're new, because clearly, like, अगर हमारे पास views 6,000 है और हमारे subscribers 2,500 है, तो आप नहीं हो इधर.
Mismatch.
Yes, please, not an underrated show, but please do subscribe to the channel and make us overrated. I don't know.
Just rate us. Rate us first.
Rate us.
Watch the Euphoria music video.
Yes, watch the Euphoria
Watch
music
the
video.
Ghumar scene and bye bye.
आपने कुछ एक्टिंग किया?
You can watch me in an Airtel ad I did once.
आपको पता है आपका अगर अंतरिक्ष टक्कर टाइप करो तो आपको एक
Audition आता है.
ऑडिशन वीडियो आता है.
Bro, it's the worst. Go watch that, guys.
हटवाते क्यों नहीं हो आप?
Bro, because I like the thought and it's so funny. Someone searches for Antriksh Thakkar. Firstly, thanks if you're searching for Antriksh Thakkar. And also sorry if you're searching for Antriksh Thakkar. And that video shows up. That's it. See you again next week, guys. Bye-bye. Hasta la vista. Hope you enjoyed this episode.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.